we're going to go back in time a little bit, and we are going to read some of the documents. First of all, hold on. Let me read this first. I was up late doing some research because I was thinking, I'm like, even if you're not there, if you're not at a place, right? Imagine yourself if somebody has threatened you or harmed you, hurt you in multiple times, even once in the past. And then them and a group of their friends showed up a place you were, you would still be fearful, right? Even if you were not there. No, wait, Book Vixen. So you're saying that the certificate Brie put in is fake? Hi, Principal. Dude, that's crazy work. Can you send it to me if you have it? I haven't seen it. I've been off all day. Honey, listen, I was on serious grandma duty, okay? I picked up the two youngest. We listen, we were having a heyday. Okay? And Jordan was wearing her ice cream. Anyways, it was a blast. We had a good old time. So I've not been on at all. Okay, but I want to read this to you. So I went on to ChatGPT. Get me learning. First of all, I didn't know you had to pay to use ChatGPT. That's crazy. But it's worth it. So this was my question to this. And then we're going to reread the documents and see how it is perceived. Oh, there's a free... Of course there's a free version. Of course there is. Of course I find the one that's $6.99 a month. Well, you guys can help with that later because this... Tammy! Thank you, love. Okay, ready? Class is in session. Focus. Okay, so I put, in California, for a DVRO case, if the protected party is not at home and the offending party shows up at the home, thank you, love, with a group of people with intent to harm, because they said that in the video, right? Can the protected party still be at fear and get a DVRO? I put it in your newest post. Oh, okay, books. Oh my God, Book Vixen. I'll go look at that in just a second, as soon as I'm done reading this. So, and I asked them to include California law. So this is what it says. Yes, a protected person can still reasonably fear future harm, even does that make sense? Even if they were not home when the defendant showed up. Court looks at whether a reasonable person in the protected party situation would fear future... Oh, there's Sammy. See, I told you, Sammy is the mother GOAT. I love you, girl. You're the best. Thank you, love. So we'll go to that when we finish just this piece, okay? So courts look at whether a reasonable person in the protected party situation would fear future abuse or threats, right? Evidence that supports fear includes the other's presence at the protected home with hostile intent, home or wherever they were, which she was. That's clear as day. We got video of that, right? Prior DV, that was there. Threats, even via text message or voicemail. Witness statements, photos, and police reports. Remedies. You can ask the court for a temporary restraining order, a TRO, or a DVRO, and can ask to seek an emergency protection order from police if there is imminent danger. Next steps, then it goes through all of the next steps. So to me, reading this, and then it also does go down and break in the California law. Oh, this is the other one I did. I'll just read it really fast. In California, in the midst of a custody order, if one parent shows up to where they think the other party, this time I didn't even put their home, I put where they think that they are, okay? Where they think the other party is, to provoke, harm, and film it. but the other party was not at the hotel at the time, but was still fearful. Could he get a DVRO granted? And please state California law to support. Okay. Answer is yes, possibly. Under California DVRO Act DVPA, a judge can grant a restraining order, including an ex parte temporary order, if the petitioner shows they have been abused or reasonable fear of abuse. Showing up and provoking, filming, or threatening somebody, even if no physical contact occurs, can support a DVRO if it places the other parent in reasonable apprehension of imminent serious bodily injury or constitutes stalking, harassment, or a credible threat. Now, I believe all of that happened when they were outside in the car saying, "Where are you, little punk ass bitches? Come out. Court is tomorrow." That's why we got to get this done today, because court's tomorrow, right? And then here's relevant California law. Domestic Violence Prevention Acts, Family Code 6200 to 6409. We've heard about this one. This is a statutory scheme that governs domestic violence restraining orders, DVROs, in California. Definition of under the DVPA, the statutory definition includes causing or attempting to cause bodily harm, injury, placing a person in reasonable apprehension of imminent serious bodily injury, stalking, or assault, showing that the respondent's conduct placed the petitioner in reasonable fear. Where am I at? Reasonable fear can justify for the DVRO. Okay. Oh, here it is. Reasonable fear can satisfy that statute. Just the fact that he was in fear, even though he wasn't there. Stalking statute, Penal Code 646.9. Repeatedly following or harassing another person and making a credible threat can be a crime and support civil restraining orders. Harassment, threats, and related criminal statutes, Penal Code provision, may also be relevant evidence supporting a DVRO. And then it just kind of goes into how it works. So based off of that, I'm going to do a poll based off of what I just read. Thank you, Blackwood. Listen, I had to get new glasses. I love them. Based off of what I just read, we're going to do a poll. If John was not at the airport when they show up, do you think he could still be granted a DVRO? Red, yes. Blue, no. Based on what we just read from California law, what we saw from Bree Santos, MJ, and Ruby out there calling them out, talking about how they're going to smash them, blah, 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 blah. What do you think would happen in that situation? Oh, there's 1.6K people in here. Let's see how many we get. Right now it's 361 to 1. Red, yes. Blue, no. A landslide. Let's go. Keep them going. Let's see how many people we can get in here. 480 to 3. Come on, 500 to 4. Oh my gosh, let's go. Thank you, Mandy. You're 7 now. 513, 524. Okay, we got 10 seconds, right? 9, 8. Everybody vote. Quick, quick, quick. Red, yes. Blue, no. Ooh, just thank you. 4, 3, 2, 1. Landslide decision, if we were the judge, 578 to 6. And this is also how the judge saw it. Now, the judge was under the impression, for some reason, that John was in the hotel. Okay? So the judge thought that John was in the hotel when this happened. Okay, so now I'm going to push the right button. If at any time you guys need me to slow down and say, what the fuck are you talking about? Please do so. What evidence What, oopsies. What difference would it make if he's, where he was? Well, see, Bree's attorney is claiming that John testified under oath that he was at the hotel. He was in the room, so scared, shaking, and nauseous the entire time it was happening. That is what she said. Well, we have the transcript from all 3 days. I went over a little bit yesterday. And we're going to dive in a little bit more. And we're going to decipher, did John ever state he was physically at that hotel at the time? What we read yesterday is, yes, that was the hotel I was staying at. Okay, it was. It doesn't mean he was there. So we're going to go back over. I'm not going to read the whole transcript for the 3 days unless you guys are just dying to do so, because this is from a trial. It is a lot of information. And I think in the past I only read 1 day. So it's 100% up to y'all if you want me to do that. But for right now, just because court is tomorrow, we are going to focus solely on this piece on if John testified and said, I was in fact in the hotel shaking in my freaking boots. I appreciate that. It's whatever's best for me. But listen, y'all. I want it to be for what's best for y'all. Okay, so we're going to go down to page 26. And if I'm ever going too fast, tell me, slow the hell down. We get you feeling better. Take a breath. Slow down. Chat. Bitch, calm down. And again, differences of opinions are cute, are fine. You guys don't forget, you guys, they go to trial tomorrow. So if you were not following, please make sure you guys follow so that you guys will get the correct information. We do love a worked up Angie. Make sure you guys are following. Hit the follow button. We are not too far off, you guys, from hitting 9.9K. Or 99.9K. Y'all, do you think we can hit 100K by the end of August? I think we can do it. I don't know what time the court is tomorrow. And I typically don't release that information. Okay. Is this it here? Does this say return? Okay. All right, so I'm going to start here. Oh, 1:30. There you go. Yes, so make sure you guys are following along so that way you guys don't miss anything come tomorrow, because information will come out tomorrow, and I want to assure that I provide you with that said information correctly and ASAP. You guys, we just hit 99K. Shut the freaking front door. You guys are so amazing. Thank you guys so much. 1,000 until we have a party. Ooh, we're going to have a party. 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 And you're invited too. Okay, sorry. Okay, now let's get back to work, girl. I got stuff to do. Thank you, though. I love you guys so much. You guys are the best. Okay. Go back to where I was just at. Thank you. What was I just at? Thank you guys so much for the congratulations, the taps. Listen, we just love to have a good old time over here. 99K, I cannot believe it. 1,000 away. Okay, so this is page 1. I gotta go down here to... Y'all just made my day. How we just skipped right over 99.9. I was at 99.8. Okay, so what I'm going to read now, I'm not going to read the whole entire thing. What I'm going to read is just the parts in regards to the questions about the hotel. If you guys want me to go back and read the entire transcripts from the 25th, 26th, and 27th, I got you. I will do that, okay? I'm not letting anybody up right now, guys, just because I want to get this done. We are on assignment. Okay, and everybody, if you guys can take notes or, you know, remember the things, because we want to make sure we figured out. She said, please no. I probably will record them and put them up over on my YT. Somebody asked for a recap. What we're looking for. Well, thank you, Sammy. Look at, I love Sammy. I didn't have to. Yep, crisscross applesauce, listening ears. Here we go. Okay. This is, I'm gonna go up a little bit. Okay. Who is asking these questions? Okay, this is by Miss Budnick. Nope, you haven't missed nothing, Gianna, besides the fact that I just hit 99,000. Okay, here we go. I'm just getting started, guys. We are looking for the information that John said that he was inside of the hotel the night that they showed up to, right? That's it. Okay? And then we're going to dig through the whole 3 days, because she said he stated it multiple times over the 3 days. So we got to find that. Okay, so here we go. This is a judge. Yeah. What did you observe her doing? Absolutely overruled. Go ahead. What did you observe her doing on the live stream? What was that about? Oh, hold on. Let me go up a little bit further. I want to make sure we understand what's happening. Oh, hold on. We missed all of this part yesterday. Okay, I'm going to come in at a decent time. Sorry, give me a second to... Okay, this is all for the MILF house, so it comes after that, okay? We're going to start here. Okay, so this is Taylor asking John. And did Brianna tell you at any point, either before or on March 23rd, 2025, that she would be taking W from Texas to Los Angeles? John, no ma'am. Oops. After finding out W was in Los Angeles on March 23rd, 2025, what did you do? He says, there's a question. Ms. Fonseca, objection, calls for narrative. The court overruled. John says, can you repeat the question? Taylor says, after you found out W was in Los Angeles on March 23rd, 2025, what did you do? Well, I was at a restaurant. This is John. I was at a restaurant. I had a panic attack. I flew my mom first flight out, and then I called for a welfare check. Miss Budnick, and the welfare check was called at what location? Thank you, love. He says the MILF house. The court. Do you know that is MILF? John says, yes, ma'am. The court. I was telling the reporter. So let me borrow that. Miss Budnick asked John, and at some point after March 23rd, 2025, did you obtain a court order for W to be returned to you? Yes, ma'am, says John. She says, what date did you receive that order? On March 24th. And did you personally communicate with Brianna about that order? John says, yes, ma'am. And what platform did you communicate with her on? He says, Our Family Wizard. And what specifically did you say? John says, I told her that W was to be returned to me. I messaged her around 9:40 a.m. March 25th and told her W was to be returned to me at the police station per court order. She says, So I'm flipping through the Our Family Wizard, page 78 of 119 of my copy. But there's a message. The judge, hold on. Miss Fonseca, is the holding lodge as an exhibit? Miss Fonseca, which is Bree's attorney, yes. The court, what exhibit number? Miss Fonseca, no, it's lodged like a notice of lodging, but it might be labeled as like a declaration because the clerk's office started rejecting notice of lodging. But we lodged a redacted copy, like taking out addresses like that, etc., with the court so that you have an electric copy of it. I can't stand the way she talks. The judge says, I'm trying to figure out how we mark it or just lodge the whole thing. The court clerk says, just lodge. The judge says, it's just lodge. Go ahead, Miss Budnick. John's attorney back to asking John's questions. So I'm showing you a message, John. It's dated March 25th, 2025 at 9:41 a.m. where you say, attached are the orders signed yesterday. I will meet you at 12 p.m. today in the lobby of the LAPD Central Division Statement. Is this the message that you sent to Brianna on March 25th? John says, yes, ma'am. Did Brianna respond to that message? He said, yes, she did, which is even crazier, right? Question, more than once? Asking, did she respond more than once? He says, we were in communication. Yes, ma'am. She says, what did she say? She said it was too far out of her way and that I was being inconsiderate for W going to bed, I believe. Miss Budnick says, and just to scroll down the page, are these messages? There's one sent on March 25th at 1:18 p.m. where it looks like Brianna is messaging you saying, and then she reads out what it says. The police station is too far from where we live. We won't be able to meet you there on time. Do you recall this message? He says, yes, ma'am. And she sent it to you at 1:18 p.m. Mind you, baby W, was ordered to be turned over at 12 p.m. So at 1:18, she's like, yeah, that's too far. I'm not doing it. John says, yes, ma'am. And then how did you respond? John says, I'm pretty sure I told her that it's a court order. She says, okay. And did you go to the LAPD Central Station at noon on March 25th to pick up your son? Yes, ma'am, I was there. I was in communication with her. She says, so you were communicating through OFW, which is Our Family Wizard, messages while waiting for Brianna to arrive? Yes. Did she ever arrive to the LAPD station? No, ma'am. What did you do next? He says, I called the Hollywood police and and then she asks, why did you call the Hollywood police? He says, because I needed help. I needed to get my son. Question, is Hollywood where you believe W was located with Brianna? He says, yes, ma'am, in the MILF house. I mean, every child should be in the MILF house. Question, and did you on March 25th, 2025, go to the MILF house in Hollywood? He says, not until the police instructed me to go out there. She asks, about how many police officers went to the house with you on March 25th, 2025? The judge says, hold on. Were you present when they went? Asking John, was he present? John says, yes, ma'am. The court, you accompanied them? John says, well, they made me wait down the hill because I was scared. And they went up the hill and they told me. The court says, nope, just asking. John says, yes, ma'am. The judge, was he in a position to observe how many police officers? By Miss Budnick, she asked, I can ask the question. Were you interacting with the police when they arrived to the Hollywood Hills home? John says yes. How many police officers did you have interaction with? Me personally, about 4. How many officers did you see there? He says at least 6. Okay. And how long were you present at and how long were you present at? And then she says, let me backtrack. You said that you waited down the hill from her house. Why did you do that? He says, because I was scared. Miss Fonseca, objection, mistakes his testimony. He just said he was within visible view of the police officers speaking to him. Now he's saying, which that's just crazy on its own, because we've all seen the road. You can see everything that happens going up and down. Why is this relevant? Good question. Tori, this is relevant because right now, the only thing that Bree's side really has on them is Bree's attorney is trying to state that John stated on multiple occasions throughout this time that he was in the hotel the night that they showed up. So I'm not going to read over everything. I just didn't want us to put us in the middle. So I'm not reading all 500 pages that we have. I'm just going to cut to the chase. But that's why it's relevant, is to see, did he say that? Okay. Sorry, and you guys, when I'm reading, I'm not really in my comments. The mods will do the best they can to answer questions. Okay, the court. Okay, let me go back. Because Ms. Fonseca said objection. That misstates he never said that. The judge says no. That's not what he said. He said, how many police officers did he have interaction with? And he said, how many did you see? It sounds like he saw 6 before they told him to wait down the hill. I'm not sure how helpful the number of police officers really is. Miss Budnick says, I'll move on. The judge, okay. By Miss Budnick, question to John. About how long were you waiting by the respondent's Hollywood Hills home? John says, I believe about 2 hours. And eventually on March 25th, 2025, did you get custody back of your son? He says, yes, ma'am. Okay. And during this approximate 2-hour period that you were waiting for W, did you have any understanding of what the respondent was doing? He says, she was. Miss Fonseca, objection, lacks personal knowledge. The court, I think you need to go on either. You need to establish how he would know. Miss Budnick, I think if we had understanding, the judge says, why don't you? Did he have any understanding? And the answer is yes. John says yes. Miss Budnick asked, how did you have an understanding of what respondent was doing on March 25th while you were waiting at the bottom of the hill? He says, because she was live streaming the entire thing. The court, objection is overruled. Miss Budnick asked, and did you have an opportunity on March 25th to listen to or observe any portion of the live stream? John says, yes, ma'am. How did you feel watching that live stream? John says, I was sick. I felt hopeless. I felt like I failed as a father because I was not able to protect my son. I was scared. I threw up at the hill. I was anxious, nervous. What's happening here? I was freaking out. The neighbors came out because I was scared. She asked, and what? Can you describe for the court some of the things that you observed while you were viewing respondent's live stream on March 25th, 2025? Ms. Fonseca, objection. I guess foundation, authenticity. Can't she ask my client about her own live stream? The judge, sure she can. She can also ask him. Overruled. She has the dumbest objections. Miss Fonseca, his observations? The judge says, yes. What did you observe her doing? Absolutely. Overruled. Go ahead. What did you observe her doing on the live stream? John says, I observed plenty of strangers in the room. They were all being loud and rowdy as W was asleep on the bed. She left him multiple times alone when W was just a baby. He could have easily rolled off the bed. I believe it was at the 55-minute mark, she instructed her ex-boyfriend, Itai, although it was a water pew, that she instructed him to pew my mother in the face. Her current boyfriend behind her also said that when when he sees me, we were gonna get it on. And then they were just being loud and just withholding W from the police. John's attorney asked, and eventually W was returned to you on March 25th, correct? John says, yes, eventually he was returned to me. Yes, ma'am. Question, and was that the end of it, or did anything happen after that? He says, when we left, Bree's current and ex-boyfriend were chasing us up and down the Hollywood Hills. And we had to call the police to stop them. Her ex-boyfriend, well, both of them got detained, and her ex-boyfriend ended up going to jail for the night. She asked, and following the events of March 25th, 2025, you subsequently filed for this request for restraining order on March 27th, correct? He says, correct. Okay, and since the restraining order was issued, has there been any further conduct? He says, yes, ma'am. Question. Has there been any abusive contact or threatening contact that's happened? Scratch. Let me rephrase my question, please. What occurred since March 27th, 2025? Ms. Fonseca, objection, calls for narrative. The court overruled. John says, on June 20th, I was staying at the Anaheim Hotel, and Santos and Bree showed up to my hotel saying, where are you all at? Where are you all at? Ms. Bunnick says, and how did you feel? Were they live streaming this? John says they posted it on either Snapchat with the Anaheim Hotel confirmed in the background. She says, did Brianna talk about that incident where she showed up at your hotel at any point after June 20th? John says, she confirmed it the next day on Snapchat saying, you were like ding-dong ditching and whatever. So yes. Miss Budnick asked. And how did you feel knowing that they showed up in person to the hotel you were staying at? He says, I was scared. I wasn't really understanding why they were trying to get physical with me when I was trying to care for my son. I was frightened. I was confused. She asked, and has there been any reoccurrence of any verbal abuse or harassment statement since March 27th, 2025? John says, yes. What is the most recent example of Brianna verbally abusing you? He says, last week, Santos called me behind Brianna's back and said it's an abusive relationship. And he also sent me, Miss Fonseca, objection. The court, stop, Miss Fonseca. It doesn't answer the question either, the court or the judge. Hold on. It sounds like it's a whole lot of hearsay if it's not about Miss Olsen. And so I'm not sure what the exception of the hearsay rule is. Miss Budnick, let me phrase my question. Okay, before we move on there, I want to go back. I want to go back to the I want to go back to the part of the hotel. Now, I just read verbatim. They didn't dive deep into it. From what he said, I'll make sure I say it again. Okay, from what we said, we're going to do a poll. Thank you guys so much for the daily heartbeats. We're at 979. Oh my gosh, we're at 262,000 likes. Let's see if we can get back up to 1,100. Okay, quick poll. Red, yes. Blue, no. Do you think from what John said, which his words were, yes, that was the hotel I was staying at? And I can't remember the second part, but I can reread it if you guys want me to. Do you guys believe that that constitutes that he was in fact there that night or not? So red, yes. Blue, no. If you think yes, that means he was at the hotel. If blue is like, no, it just, that was his hotel. It doesn't mean he was there, but he's saying that was his hotel. I'm going to find it again. Gotta find it. Red, yes. Blue, no. At 97 to 399. Okay, we have 2.3 thousand people. If everybody can vote, do you think? And again, we're going to go into more details. If you guys think that that meant that he was there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we have 469 people that doesn't state that he was actually in the hotel. I think it was 109 that said, yeah, it does state it. And it could be a thing of like, you could kind of take it either way by his, by his answers on, okay, listen, buddy. Okay, this guy, stop it. How do I turn this off? Okay. Why does it matter? Well, it matters because, again, Bree's attorney is trying to state that he said he was actually in the hotel when he was at the airport. But again, at the very beginning, remember, I read the court law that says it doesn't matter if you're there or not. If somebody shows up at the place that they believe you are at to cause harm, abuse, danger, threat, whatever, you can still get a DVRO. But Lindsay is putting her entire case on the fact that they believe John lied on stand stating he was at the hotel. But again, his words, let me read it again. Oh, it's down here. No, it's up further, sorry. It basically says, I was staying at the Anaheim Hotel. Oh, here it is. Okay. I'm going to read this one more time. Okay. She said, question, and what was the end of it, or did anything happen after he was returned? When we left, Bree's current and ex-boyfriend were chasing us down the hill. We had to call the police to stop them, blah, blah, blah. One was detained. And following the events of that day, you subsequently filed for the request for a restraining order on March 27th, correct? He says, correct. Okay. Since the restraining order was issued, has there been any further abusive conduct? He says, yes, ma'am. Has there been any abusive conduct that or threatening conduct that happened. Scratch. Let me rephrase my question. What happened since March 27th, 2025? Ms. Fonseca objects. It's overruled. John says, on June 20th, I was staying at the Anaheim Hotel, and Santos and Brianna showed up to my hotel yelling, "Where y'all at? Where y'all at?" Miss Budnick. And how did you, were they doing any, were they live streaming? They posted it on Snapchat, that the Anaheim Hotel confirmed in the background. And did Brianna talk about the incident at your hotel? She confirmed it the next day, saying that we were ding-dong ditching and whatever. So he states that that was the hotel that he was at, but he never states that I was inside of the hotel at that time. At this part, there's more to come, right, to see if there was. All he does was that he was staying at that hotel, okay? Let me go down a little bit. Sorry, guys, my voice is the scratchy part today. Right, Gma. It doesn't matter if he was there or not there. And then the other part is when they showed the part where he was at the hotel and Mims and they did the not translation, whatever, transcribed, right? They put when Chris D said, "Oh, I wish I was there," Ms. Fonseca put that as if that was John saying that. John didn't say that. That was Chris different. Okay, so let's go through here a little bit more. He says, I was scared. I wasn't really understanding. Why are they trying to get physical with me when I'm trying to care for my son? I was frightened. I was confused. And has there been any reoccurrence of any verbal abuse, harassing statement since? He says yes. What is the most recent example of Brianna verbally abusing you? Last weekend, Santos called me behind Brianna's back and said it's an abusive relationship. And he also sent me, Ms. Fonseca, objection. The court, stop. Let judge be done. It doesn't answer, Ms. Fonseca says, it doesn't answer the question. The court, hold on. It sounds like it's a whole lot of hearsay if it's not Miss Olsen. So I'm not sure what expectation to the hearsay rule. Miss Budnick, let me rephrase my question. Question, has Brianna made any abusive comments about you recently? What is the most recent example? He says, oh yeah, this Saturday she called me a deadbeat rapist. She says, where did she say that? He says, on live stream. Question, okay, then since March 25th, 2025, Brianna has had supervised visits with W in Texas. John says, yes, ma'am. About how many hours of visitation did she exercise in April? In April, she visited her son for 6 hours. No way! Oh my God! Oh my God, hold on. Break, we got a break. Everybody, please congratulate my granddaughter, Ava. She made competitive team gymnastics today. We will get right back to this, I promise. But please, everybody, show some love for my granddaughter, Ava. Oh my God, congratulations, love. I know it's so different from when you did it, Tay. I'm assuming it's like the 4 or whatever, but congratulations, baby girl. She's only been like doing like practice team for like 6 months or something. So congratulations. Oh my God. As you guys know, she hates when I say this. Her mama was a phenomenal gymnast, 8-time Washington State champion and 3 or 4-time national champion, hold 202 gold medals. Okay. She was a beast. And her daughter takes right after her. So congratulations, Ava. Me and the sock gang love you, and we're so, so proud. Oh, we got butterflies for Ava. Oh, and the dog is shaking her ass for Ava. Okay, I see y'all. Look at all the confetti. They love you. Congratulations, Ava, baby. Grandma will call you as soon as I'm off live, okay? It's my girl. Ah, I love it when they come in and tell me stuff. It just makes my day. So blessed. It was tough when Tay stopped competing, and now here we are. We got another one coming up. I'm so excited. I love to watch her. I know I love good news, especially in the middle of all this. This is so hard. She just turned 8. And she just started gymnastics about 6 months ago. Oh, that's right. Shush, 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 keep it down. I forgot. I'm so sorry. I forgot about that. I'm supposed to always shush the grands, right? Yes, I love when I get to share moments like that in real time with you guys, because you guys are like legit family. I love it. Proud grandma. Okay, let's get back to work now. Okay. So in April, hey, I got a horsey on my head, hey. Okay. So in April, she saw her son a total of a whopping 6 hours. Look at the money. Thank you guys so much. 6 hours. What about May? In May, she saw him for an entire 24 hours. Not all at one time, but broke up over 7 days. Ms. Fonseca, objection, relevance. The court says, what is the relevance? Are we revising custody and visitation? Ms. Budnick, I don't know. If the court is not addressing custody, then I don't know what it matters, and I can move on. Ms. Fonseca, you said last time we'd do that after the DVRO, specifically when she tried to do this at the last hearing. The court, can we stop with the she tried to do this, she tried to do that? Let's keep it professional. Let's focus on the testimony at issue if it's brief. This judge is sick of Miss Fonseca's smart-ass comments. Miss Budnick says it is. The judge says, just because the court, depending on the ruling, since there's going to be a request, I'll give you a little leeway. Miss Fonseca, Your Honor, we agreed via the joint statement to admit all of the monitoring reports. The monitor report not only gave you the time frame in which the visits were exercised, but contained very detail of every visit. I'm not sure who somebody who wasn't even there at the visit. This testimony is irrelevant to the DVRO. The judge says, so your point is? Since he wasn't there, just rely on the monitor. Ms. Fonseca, because we already pre-agreed to have that admitted. Ms. Budnick, I need 10 seconds of questioning. The judge, okay. If he doesn't know, he only knows based on the monitor visit, right? He wasn't there. Ms. Budnick, well, I guess that's fine. That's fair. I can move on. Sustained. Ms. Budnick, John's attorney, how many days was W spent in Los Angeles since October 31st, 2024? 7. I love this guy. Thank you. 7. My son is a California resident. He was born and raised in California. 7 days is what he spent in California. Question also, and why do you say technically? John says, well, her court-ordered visits were to be in LA, and that was November. And she ended up taking him to Texas and didn't spend time with him in LA. So when she was able to have visits in California, she took him to Texas. When she's court-ordered to have visitation with him in Texas, she takes him to California. If you guys Texas, when she's court-ordered to have visitation with him in Texas, she takes him to California. If you guys weren't She was supposed to have visits with baby W in Texas. John drops baby W off with Bree in Texas at the airport. Bree jumps on a plane immediately. So now this baby goes from Texas to California. John's in California. Oh no, I think it was, wait, am I frozen? Am I lagging? What's happening? Are we good? It's fixed now. Glitching. Oh, it's because I got a nutsack on my head. Thank you so much, love. Good now? Good now? Okay. Let me know if I need to. I'll turn off my Wi-Fi. Okay. The comments go by fast, so I don't know what I say. Yeah, something, I can't remember what it was, but I think he was in California, so he gave it to him in California. She flew to Texas and then flew. Anyways, he had to fly 4 times, and that really messed up his ears. Okay. Question, did she tell you before she left LA and took W back to Texas? He said no. How did you find out W was in Texas in November? Through social media again. Do you have any idea how many times respondent has moved since W has been born? Ms. Fonseca, objection, lacks personal knowledge, relevance. Ms. Budnick, I have no further questions. The court, all right, real quick, before cross-examination. Now, this is where it's going to get good. I haven't read it in a long time, but I'm assuming. I have a question just to clarify. Okay, here we go. So this is the judge digging into the hotel thing. So you were in Anaheim in June. Were you in Anaheim since the court had ordered the visits would be in Texas? What were you doing with W? Did you take him to Disneyland? Random question. John says, no, I did not take him. I did not take W to California. The court. So why were you in Anaheim in June? He says, for a job. The judge, oh, okay. I have to be careful how I ask this. Why do you think Miss Olson knew of your whereabouts? John says, because it was public knowledge, because we were there for a social media gig. The judge says, and was she there too? John says, she was not there for the job. She only showed up at night. The court. Just to go back, Itai, that was her prior boyfriend, you testified. Yes, ma'am. The judge. And he was there with Santos during the exchange with W? Well, you said? John says, at that point, or sorry, he says, at what point? Which exchange are you talking about? The judge. When the police were there. He says, yes, ma'am. The judge. And Itai said specifically he was going to do what? John says, he directed him to pew my mom in the face. Although it was with a water pew, but she told him on the balcony to pew my mom in the face. The judge says, and you know this because you were there watching the live stream while they were doing this? He says, yes, ma'am. The judge, and in the live stream, we're not going to see that, Miss Budnick. Oh, we're going to see it. But I was going to plan to show it when respondent testifies. You guys, is that something we can watch on rewatch? Another poll. Hold on. If that's something we can watch on rewatch, red yes, blue no, would you guys want to rewatch that? Red yes, blue no. Only if I can. I don't know if I can. I know I'm paying for it, so we might as well use it. Okay, will you guys do that? Red yes, blue no. I'll finish reading this. And the live stream, we're not going to see that, Miss Budnick. We're going to see it, but I was going to plan to show a live stream. We're not going to see that, Miss Budnick. We're going to see it, but I was going to plan to show it when we're just like me. 482 to 9. Look, there's 2.4K people in here. Let's get everybody to count. 500 to 10. Red, yes. Blue, no. Do you want to watch it if we can find it? Is it lagging again? I'm going to turn this off in a second. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, wow, what a landslide. 621 to 14. Hold on. Turn my Wi-Fi off just in case. Yes, court is tomorrow. Court is tomorrow. Yeah, it's on Kick. Kick is part of the rewatch, I believe. I don't know if it goes back that far, but we'll figure it out. But first, we gotta get through this piece. My allergies. Okay, now we're ready to go to cross-examination. Okay, the judge says, "Okay, I got you. We'll wait for that, and we will see cross-examination." So now this is Miss Fonseca cross-examining. Am I muffled? You guys can't hear me? Listen, you guys, I don't have time. Not you. I'm talking to the Wi-Fi gods. Why would it be echoing? Hold on. Wi-Fi on. Muffled. Hold on. Let me mute. I'm going to give you a blowjob, but I don't want you to hear it. How do I mute? Okay, is that any better? You know, the good old BJ. Real quick. Is that better? Good? Okay. Maybe there's a little dust in there. Okay. Now we're into the cross-examination. Remember, this is only day 1. I'm not going to read the entire thing of all 3 days. I'm only focusing around this thing. Okay, so this is Bree's attorney asking John's question. Okay, going out of order. So we could go off what the court just said. This Anaheim situation, this is the hotel. How do you know that Bree and Santos were outside of your hotel in person? He says they posted it. So they posted what? That their bodies were outside of a hotel? He says, yes, ma'am. So there was a picture of them, for example, taking a selfie outside of the hotel. John's attorney, objection, mistakes testimony, Miss Von, Bree's attorney. So then the judge says, well, there's an objection. You have to wait until I rule. It's cross-examination. Let him answer. The pictures are of what, sir? John says, there wasn't any pictures. Miss Fonseca says, so what was it? He says, there was a video of Santos asking us where we were at. And that led you to believe that they were standing outside of your hotel in Anaheim? He says, because they posted at the same time. What do you mean? The judge says, the objection is you don't understand the question. Can you restate your question? Miss Fonseca, how do you know, based on the video talking about your hotel, that that they were actually outside of your hotel as you testified earlier? John says, because in the background you can see the hotel. It says Anaheim, and it was my hotel. She says, so they posted a video of the hotel, I guess, sign you're saying. He says, no, ma'am. They were speaking where the cars pulled, they were speaking where the cars pulled in. And they were saying, or they were asking us where we were at. And you know they were outside of your hotel. How? Oh my God, how many times does he have to answer? Objection, asked and answered. The court sustained. Miss Fonseca, I don't understand. No shit. The court, he said they were posting live stream. There was a picture of them outside my hotel because it was it was right where you pull in and there was a sign of the hotel. John says, exactly. The court, in the back. Thank you, Jill. Miss Fonseca, do you have whatever this footage is that you're testifying about? Do you have it to show today? John says, I believe so. Have you seen it? Have you seen it shown yet? John says, have I seen it shown? Objection, relevance, the judge. This is getting argumentative. We all know we haven't seen it yet. Next question, Miss Fonseca. Okay, regarding the March stuff that you just testified about, Ms. Bunnick, objection, vague to stuff, Ms. Fonseca. She says, okay, regarding the March incident between March 24th, 20 and 25th, prior to you being in LA, who did the exchange of W in the weekend? Okay, so we're going to stop right there. We're going to go back. At that time, we're going to do it as a poll again. At that time, anytime during that time, red yes, blue no, did John state he was inside of the hotel at that time? From what that testimony just said, did he state I was inside of the hotel when it happened, or did he say they were at my hotel where I was staying? Did he state he was in the hotel? Red yes, blue no. I need to get a throat lozenge while you guys do that. Red yes, blue no. Was he inside of the hotel? What the fuck is that? No! Oh no, I don't have any more. Oh no, I need to get more throat lozenges. It's not gonna last. Red yes, blue no. Wow. Landslide. What was that? Italian girl, I'll tell you in just a second. So red, yes, he stated he was there. Blue, no, he did not ever state he was there. In 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. 6:13 or 6:16 to 16 stating he did not state he was inside of the hotel. Italian girl, anyone else that, because this was confusing to me at first, that is asking, why is this relevant? Because this seems so dumb, right? So monotonous. Why do we care? Why are we going back? Because, excuse me, Bree's attorney is trying to get the DVR thrown out because John was not inside of the hotel when the situation happened, meaning he couldn't have been fearful. And she's trying to impeach him, stating, excuse me, that he said that he was inside of the hotel. He was fearful. He was throwing up. He was nauseous, all of those things, because he was fearful because the people were outside of his hotel. But as of yet, he has never said he was inside of the hotel. He said that was the hotel. That is where I was staying. They found out where I was staying, and they showed up. And not just Bree. She brought a bunch of people. So that's why it's very, very important. Hiccup, sorry. He said they were posting live stream, the picture outside of the hotel. Okay. So then she goes, okay, do you have whatever this footage is that you're testifying against? Thank you guys so much for the daily harmonies. We're back up to 1,000. You guys keep go. Thank you. Do you have it to show today? I believe so. Have you seen it? He says, have I seen it shown? Miss Budnick, objection, relevance, the court. This is getting argumentative. We talked about this. Okay. Regarding this, Miss Fonseca asking John, regarding the March incident between March 24th, 25th, 26th, prior to you being in Los Angeles, how did the exchange of W that weekend in Texas with Brianna? He says, my mother did the exchange with W. She says, what day was that? He says, March 23rd. Was that a Sunday? Yes, ma'am. Is it true that you weren't at the exchange because you were already in LA that day? He says, exactly. When did you fly out of LA? I flew to LA on the 21st because there was a scheduled meetup time for the exchange. She says, on Friday the 21st, you had flown out to LA. He says, exactly. Even though the exchange wasn't supposed to, or was supposed to be in Texas. He says, the exchange was supposed to be in Texas on the 21st. Yes, ma'am. So did you have other business in LA? Is that why you were flying out on Friday? What the hell does any of that matter? I agree. We've cooked. Sorry, guys. Thank you so much. Wait, who was that? Ken something. Kendra. Thank you. Listen, I love every single gift that I get, always. But whenever somebody sends their very first gift to me, it means the world to me. So thank you so much, love. You guys just keep, we're almost at 500,000 likes. Daily heart me's, tappers, yappers. I love it all. And don't mind my allergies, okay? I don't know why it's a big deal if he has business there. But anyways. Oh, went away. I was like, oh, Perez requested, but it went away. Okay. So did you have other business in LA that, is that why you were flying out? He says, exactly. Question. And the order that established the visits was supposed to be in Texas versus California. Was that the order from the March 17th hearing? I'm sorry, can you repeat that? He says the order established. I don't think any of this has to do. Thank you, Emily. You emailed it to me? Okay, the live that we're talking about? Thank you, love. Okay, I'm going to skip ahead and I'm going to see if I can find where they bring it up again. Because she said across 3 days they brought it up. Because you guys don't want to hear all of this other mumbo jumbo, right? We want to just hear about if he actually stated he was at the hotel. Am I correct? Let's do it as a poll again. I want to make sure. Hold on. We're going to do it as a poll. So it'll be red, yes, read it all, or blue, skip ahead to the parts to where they're talking about the hotel. Red, read it all, blue, skip ahead. And that way we can also do the videos and stuff too. Meg, thank you, love. Thank you so much, Meg. Amazing. Thank you, Principal. Thank you, Emily. Thank you. Take it to me. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for all the gifts. Okay, perfect. So it sounds like we're going to skip ahead. And then we have the live stream. We have the live stream so we can watch. If you guys want, we can watch live stream. Okay, will you guys do that? I'm going to try to pop ahead and see. I really wish I had a throat lozenge. See if I can see anything else that they talk about the court or the hotel. $468. Okay, so we're just going to skip ahead. Again, you guys, I can actually reread all of these and post them over on the, on the Y to the T. Okay, if you guys want me to do that, just let me know. Because they're each like 100 and something pages. Let me see. I don't see anything else on this day where they talk about the hotel. Okay, I'll go through the other days. Okay, hold on. I gotta go into my phone, into this email to move it over to the iPad so we can watch the craziness. If you guys missed this standoff, the rain came. It's crazy. So hold on. Oh, all of this will be posted on YT. Don't you worry. There is a hearing tomorrow. No custody decided. Correct. Okay, hold on. Oh, all of this will be posted on YT. Don't you worry. There is a hearing tomorrow. No custody decided. Correct. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Thank you. You guys are freaking rock stars. Okay, so Sam A also sent me. What is this? What is happening? Okay, Sammy sent me the new docs for today, so we're gonna go over those first. Then I may have to ask my dad or something else to hold up the iPad, and then we'll watch the catastrophe. Thank you so much for the balloons. You guys are so sweet to me. I just need this to catch up. Okay. My allergies. You can hear the rain. Okay. First, we're going to go over the new docs for today. So these are the new... Oh, me too. Listen. It was raining so hard last night. I put brand new sheets on my bed. Conked. I was out, which I needed, except I slept in days because my allergies were so bad. Oh, man, it was heaven. Okay, so are you guys ready? These are the new documents that were filed today. Then we're going to go... and then we're going to go in and watch the kick stream of the actual day that there was a 2-hour police standoff. And you will get to see how Bree was acting. Thank you, love. Ride it like a cowgirl. Ow, ride it like a cowgirl. Thank you, love. Thank you, love. Ooh, we still riding it. Thank you, love. I so appreciate you. Ooh, hey. Check your comments on your newest post. Okay, I will do that, love. Okay, so this is what was filed today on, thank you so much, on Bree's behalf. It says, Declaration of Respondents Council, RE, lodging of certificate of completion of high conflict parenting class. Okay, we routinely lodge documents by the way of notice of lodging pleadings with the documents attached. However, the clerk's office is erroneously rejecting our notice of lodging of documents. You guys, if you guys have been with me for a long time, you guys know every time I read this, it is only Lindsay that can never get her documents through. She always has to file them this way. I don't understand. Okay, due to the above noted issue, I hereby lodge the following documents via my declaration. 1. Certificate of completion of Brianna Lynn Olsen, a 13-week high conflict parenting education class dated March 30th, 2026. 2. Certificate of completion of Santos Salazar, a 13-week high conflict parenting education class dated March 30th. For what? Santos is not a part of this case. That is craziness. You guys, I know I keep hearing that they're fake. I want to see it. I want to see. Somebody, I'm going to check my comments because someone told me. So this says certificate of completion. This certifies that the person named has completed a 13-week parenting class, IDOM Industries, Inc., high conflict parenting education class, Brianna Olsen, for being an outstanding individual. Date of course completion 3/30/26. Awarded on March 30th, day of 26, certificate number 1. And this is the said certificate. We'll dissect. I still don't understand why Santos has one. Wait a minute. Now, why do they look different? The two of them look different. But anyways, number 2. Certificate of completion. This certifies that the person named has completed a 13-week parenting class, IDOM Industries, high conflict parenting education class. Santos Salazar for being an outstanding individual. Date of course completion 3/30/26, awarded 3/30/26, number 1. Okay. And this is, oh, what did I just do? Hold on. Oh my god. Why am I always messing stuff up? Okay, so this is hers. And then this is his. Not sure why they look different, but nonetheless. Okay. Petitioners amended exhibit. Oh, it said Happy April Fool's Girls. Oh my god. Okay, well, I'm not showing that. What? Like, why? Okay, no. I'm not showing that. I don't know who put that out, but I'm not showing that part. Okay. And now I need to go. Yes, can you see hers again? Of course, honey. I got you. Here is hers. So hers has the colored lines on the side. And then this is his. They should look the exact same. Who signed it? Byron, B-Y, Byron. Remember that movie? Byron Ildom, I-L-D-O-M, CEO. Okay. Now go to my current comments on my current video. Hold on. We're doing real journalistic shit today, guys. Comments. Oh, the rain sounds so peaceful. It's taking a little while. Okay, here we go. Oh, are you going to compare 2K's parenting to Brazen and Santos? They turned into look at this. They are definitely fake. Wait, no way. Oh, that doesn't have the signature there, but how dumb. You've got to be kidding me. Okay, Truth Finder, you mean 13 weeks course? That's not even offered at that facility. IDM Industries offers educational parenting classes, often required by courts focusing on child rearing and family stabilization. While they provide specialized services like anger management, that's what they both need, and domestic violence classes, a specific 13-week course structure is not explicitly detailed in the provided search results of Forcus Court Appeal. Wow. 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 Y'all, I cannot. I mean, do I put it past them? No. Does it shock me? Absolutely not. Because that's, you know what I'm saying? That's just what they do. Okay. Oh, I need to put some Vaseline on my nose. Okay. Let's see if we can pull up. Wait, that's where I'm going to go. Let's see if we can get the kick stream. Go away. Wait. Okay, done. Oh, I never know what I'm doing here. Okay, let's see. always pull up. Oh, okay, it does. Okay, hold on. Okay, give me a minute. Give me a minute. I gotta build the stage. Hold, please. Hold on. Sorry, all up in your face. Oh, that's not going to be wide enough. Take this off for now. Let's see. Okay. Ugh. Okay, how do I do this? Flip. Nope, I need something higher. Okay, give me a second. I gotta grab something higher. Just give me 1 second. I know I got another box. Oh. Okay, hold on. I have to go to my car to get a box. I'll be back in 30 seconds. Let me go get a good box. Hold on. We're doing this on the fly. Let's see if this will work. Oh, is this going to be the same? That's the same. Oh, I could do it this way, though. Hold on. Thank goodness I have all this stuff from Easter. No, whoever sent this to me, there's 2 of them. Which one should I do first? Because there was 2 videos. Should I do the first one that came in first? Let me see. In my email. Oh my God. Why is everything so difficult for me? Yeah, it's because I have it turned around. Oh, I will. I'm going to be doing that research too. Okay. Let me look at the other one. What's this one? Okay. No, we're going to do this one first. Okay. This one should work. Oh, don't do that. Okay. I gotta turn it up.
It's fine, they're already in there.
Is that okay? They only have it to where it's little because you can see all the. I don't know how to turn off all of the. I don't know how to turn all of this off. What if I turn this off? Wait. Oh, there you go. That helps a lot better. Okay, can you guys see it? Okay. Wait, what happened to the comments? Where'd the comments go? Oh, they turned it off. I just want to make sure you guys can see it okay. Principal, can you text me and let me know if you guys can see it, hold my turn on, and hear it? Can you guys see and hear okay? Yes, okay.
They're here for a civil exchange?
Oh, there we go. I'm going to mute my mic so you guys can only hear that. Did you hear that bitch just said? What, you can't hear it? Do I need to turn it up? She just said, our breakfast is on the way. Come back later. Oh, if I mute, then you can't hear me. Oh my God. I was thinking I was muting so that you guys wouldn't hear me. Okay, I'll just be quiet. Can you believe she said that to the police? Come back later. We're having breakfast. I can't. Okay, I'm just going to keep it going.
Good. Milhouse.
Wow.
Is this a moment in history, chat?
Literally nothing funny.
Is it? I'm not. Let me call my lawyer. Nope, I'm asleep. I didn't get served.
Yes, it's a lawful order. She will be arrested if she doesn't come downstairs and get the papers. If she doesn't take the papers from your hand, I'm asking.
Sorry. Mind you, at this time, you guys, I won't stop it again. Mind you, at this time, you guys, Baby W is in there supposedly either sleeping or just laying on the bed unattended, listening to all of this crap, okay?
We're just trying to make sure we understand the situation, because you're trying to make me hand over my son to an abusive man who stalks me. It's my parenting time, and why would I want to do that without knowing for sure?
Wow.
And he's literally stalked me all the way to LA. And I would never do that. It's my parenting time.
I understand, sir. The last thing I would want to do, I don't mean to be difficult to make a judgment.
Okay.
I don't want to. I don't know if we're legally required to. That's not. I'm not trying to be difficult.
Email it. Airdrop. Guys, airdrop. Hey, hand it to Travis when he comes in with the food.
Being extorted by that guy. It's not fair. He's literally using this kid to promote his music video. That's what he does. Yes, it's gay. That's the kind of guy that's
a gay. He brought his gay only fan.
Wow.
I never got that info.
But she was never aware of it. So they're just doing their job. I understand. I understand where you.
I know, but that's just like hearsay. I don't.
She really has not had her own child in over a month because he starts playing.
No, the narcissist that's puppeting is the one that's lying.
No, don't do it. Don't do it.
I'm not. God damn.
Dumb.
Put it in the mailbox. Bro, Wallace said put it in the mailbox. Hey, should we put a string down there, Wallace, so they can... The basket. Throw it in the basket.
Hey, Chet, winter's sleeping number 1. I just told you, don't, bro. I couldn't fucking close the garage inside. If I went downstairs and you had like 10 minutes, 2 minutes, so I couldn't. And what would that change? Okay, they're not guys. Now they're gonna do. Okay, so good for them. What are they gonna do? They're not in our house. It doesn't help. But there's not going on. Don't blame that shit on me. You're being stupid.
You're just tweaking.
The goal is to keep visitations consistent. As a mother, I could not imagine.
House arrest. Hey, a judge wouldn't put an ankle monitor on me for this, right? Can't have that in my content.
Hey, where's the clicker? I want to close the garage.
Tell Travis.
She's legitimately worried about everything but baby W. Wait, could I get an ankle monitor? I can't have that in my content. She doesn't even look at the child. This is, watching this back again, years later, this is absolutely sickening me. Sorry, I had to plug this in before it dies. Wait, that's the right plug. Is that the hole? Hold on. There we go. Okay, back to it. Sorry.
Click it when he's down the street. Tell Travis to do it.
Travis is here?
No, when he's on the way back up the hill, tell him to click it.
Can you call Travis?
Oh, Mia.
Anonymous tip $20. Remember when Vale was pretty chatty?
What? She said what?
Anonymous tip $5.
Guys, I need baby Botox. Look how this is stressing me.
That's her concern. Baby Botox.
What happened? What is he doing to the car?
Bro, are they allowed to be in the garage? No.
Alright, let's go see what they're doing in the garage. I'll be back.
It's not for Wally.
Fucking open it.
Anonymous tip $5. Officer serves the house. There's drugs inside.
No, they're not. They're outside. Just kidding. We just drove him down the hill. You just missed it.
Not shh. The baby sleeping with a stupid TTS thing is blaring the whole time. I can't believe anybody thinks that this woman, that this little girl, deserves to have any type of access to this child. Now, had she grown from this moment? Yeah, but she hasn't. She still thinks all this shit's funny. It's disgusting.
You just lost your son.
No, he's right here.
Okay, I'll look at that in a second, Principal. I can't click out because I'll mess it up.
Guys, we don't have permission to be on the property.
Anonymous tip $5.
This is my house. I don't
Be
be
ordered electronically on the 24th of March 2025.
Dog, we had these cops pissed. Father, are they mad? Are the cops mad?
Anonymous tip $5.
More?
No compliance with a court order is considered contempt of court. And is punished by fine or imprisonment.
Okay, I'll look at them as soon as I'm done, Principal. Okay, thank you, love.
Anonymous tip $5.
I'll handle that.
You were served the order electronically on the
Oh my god! Oh my god, the tourist bus! The tourist bus!
Guys, help us out.
It's a movie scene! It's fake!
You don't have to take these documents, bro. And nobody said they could come inside the house. They're in the house right now. The garage is part of the house. That's not allowed.
BRI signed off on the
Yes, it is.
because she's proud of lying to you and she called you stupid bitch. Used the baby for money and porn. Stupid bitch. Shouldn't have signed off on IT. You're the abusive Nazi. That's essentially it.
Can you turn the comments back on for just a quick second? I want to ask a question. Please. Party, please. Thank you, love. Okay, question. This is an hour and 7 minutes. She is very vile. I legitimately can't even fathom or imagine doing this. My question to you is, I'll do it as a poll. Do you guys want to watch the entire... Thank you, love. Do you guys want to watch the entire hour and 7 minutes? Or do you want me to, skip ahead to the part where she has to turn him over? Well, let's just first start. Red, yes. Blue, no. Do you want to watch the whole thing? We'll start there. Red, yes. Blue, no. Do you want to watch the whole thing? Mostly no. Okay. Yeah, because a lot of it is just dead end. So do you guys want me to skip a part? This will be the next question. Do you guys want me to skip a part to the part where she has to turn him over? Skip to where she has to turn him over. Okay. Let me see. Hold on. Let me flip the... Oh, I gotta turn this back on. Oh my god, now it's so bright. Hey, y'all. Okay. So let me try to... What I'm going to do, I'm going to play it on 2 times and see if I can find the good parts, or the parts that pertain to something. But mainly the part where she had to turn him over. I think one of my favorite parts of that is she's like, you can't drive up here. You're not in the tax bracket. Bitch, you're homeless. You don't have a car. You're homeless. We can watch the hotel part too. I think that's been all over. I think a lot of people have seen that piece. Let me see. Hold on. I'm going to try to skip through here.
Guys, go see my therapy video on my OnlyFans. Go see my I saw a therapist finally, guys. Go see my therapy video on my OnlyFans. Okay?
Go see my therapy during OFO.
She really healed a lot inside of me.
Oh yeah, the lawyer phone call. Yeah. Okay, we'll do that. She calls this lawyer to get advice. We'll watch that part. Thank you. It's been so long I forgot.
Okay, I understand that. Let me ask you this though: since this is second is being brought up, honestly, yes.
And it's hard because it's all the comments.
That she wasn't aware of the court order, which is true.
Anonymous $5.
She gets in this car, so she goes to court. She could just like that. Okay, so let me ask you. There's nothing we can do to just make this happen tomorrow morning. Because you guys are coming last second. You have to understand. 10 cops last second. She has her child's sleeping. Could we bring them to you tomorrow morning?
But not tomorrow morning.
No, not tomorrow morning. No. Now, you guys, she did get the notice that she had to turn the child in at 12 o'clock at the police station, and she responded back and said, that's too far. I'm not doing that. That's his nap time. But yet, look at what's happening during nap time with the TTS going off all over, all of the police, all those people yelling and screaming and whatnot. No.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm just a little on edge. I've been going through a custody battle with someone who is abusive and he's crazy and his family's targeting me. So you can understand my hesitantness or whatever it's called. Hesitancy when it comes to my child. Please understand that. I'm not quite grasping what's really going on. There's a lot going on.
At the end of the day, it's one or the other.
And yet she didn't go to the court case for this because she was in Miami drinking and partying. She was like, I didn't want to go. For what? What was going to happen? And for people who don't know, the only reason that this was not a kidnapping charge is because she had an attorney. She got rid of that attorney. She was pro se for a little bit before she hired Miss F. And they did not have her re-sign up how she wanted to get her documents before she was able to get them via via email, but she never re-signed up. She did get these documents, and we're going to watch where she's actually going to read through the, no, that was beforehand. That's not on this. But she calls somebody who's an attorney, and they advise her, you need to turn the child over, and she still doesn't. This whole thing, the standoff was, I think, like 2.5 hours. It's crazy.
I think we should. I think yes, no, they're not going to arrest her. They're not trying to serve.
That's all she cares about is if she's going to get arrested.
Make them wait. Make them wait. Come inside.
Make them wait. Make them wait.
Yeah, if you guys would like water, I can bring you guys water.
LAPD, she left the baby
It's all so funny to her.
drunk.
So let's call your attorney.
She literally makes me
Okay, but I
sick.
didn't rehire him. So you might need a retainer. Okay, go on my Instagram. Okay, do this. Go on my Instagram.
Okay, I'm going to flip you
This
guys.
is who we're going to contact. This is like...
I'm going to flip you guys back around. This is where she calls the attorney, right? The attorney to get advice. Hold on. I got to turn this light off so you guys can see. Let me reposition. I wish there was a way I could make this bigger. But anyways, okay, here we go.
private friend, family attorney.
Okay, you can turn the comments back off so you guys can see, and then we'll turn it back on here in a
I
minute.
understand, but at the end of the day, I'm not gonna let cops coerce and like, because you know that's what they do.
Oh my god.
Manipulating me for
There's
what?
no charges.
Manipulating me for the inevitable?
No,
There can be charges. There can be charges.
Okay, but let's find out. Let's find out. Let's find out legally.
Yeah, we'll call a lawyer. You're right. I don't want to guess, but
None of us are lawyers.
we're not.
Duh.
Yeah, they can lie to you. They can lie. Cops can lie to you. Absolutely.
They're in the garage. Relax. Nothing's gonna happen. So worried about them being in the garage. What does that even do?
$5. Attention,
Kid, they're in the garage. What are they gonna do? Break our cars?
She's a pathological liar. There's no
Call me ASAP. Here, send your number. Send your number.
Anonymous took $5. Hey, cops, cheese, be aware. All visits, all recorded. All visits, all recorded. All visits, all recorded. Anonymous took $5. Hey, cops, cheese, be aware. All visits, all recorded.
Oh my god, you guys were almost 800,000 taps. Thank you so much. Keep tapping. Thank you, Kendrick.
Anonymous took $5. Hey, cops, cheese, be aware. All visits, all recorded.
Thank you, Lynn.
Anonymous took $5. Hey, cops, cheese, be aware. All visits, all recorded.
Hold on, I'm gonna try fast forward through this.
Anonymous took $5. Hey, cops, cheese, be aware. All visits, all recorded.
Wait till she gets on the phone with them. Wait, what happened? The fuck just happened? Hold on. Oh, back on. Oh, is it coming back? Oh, maybe it's just a commercial. Wait.
Yeah, I might have.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
Yeah, how's it going?
My bad.
How could you help me, I should say? So, essentially, the cops showed up. They had a court order basically stating that we're trying to seek extradition.
Maybe I could do this.
They're outside of our house right now. Why? But she hasn't been served up until this point. They said that
She still hasn't been served. Haven't been served.
to do the exchange, but she's yet to be served. They're trying to serve us the papers right now. Legally, what are our rights? They have to accept the serving, and they're outside, and they stated what the document is, and saying that they're serving us.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, so.
Bree, listen. Bree, listen.
Okay, I'm right here.
Sorry about that. Say that again.
Bree, if they see you in that house and you do
Concerned
not
citizen
come
took
downstairs,
$5
that is an attempt to refuse the funding. If you hide inside the house, Bree, or if you can fucking leave and they cannot physically see you, we cannot physically serve you. If you are not there to retrieve the papers, you cannot be served.
But if they saw her already and spoke to her, that's resistance. Is that correct?
If they have the papers in their hand where they're like, hey, they're downstairs.
Yes, I'll take these papers.
But they're like wanting me to come down.
Great advice from an attorney.
Well, you can't.
Can you explain to Jordan?
Okay.
They're trying to manipulate us to serve us papers. They won't do it.
There we go.
Okay, but legally,
So if they never said the
let me ask you
words,
this. I'm sorry to cut you off, but my concern is this. Okay?
if they never
Let's say
said the words,
we resist right now. One second. Let's say we resist right now. They could just get a warrant tomorrow, and we're all fucked. Is that not correct?
you guys have nothing to do with it.
Poor W. Dylan! Hi, honey.
They cannot serve free properly. They will sit outside and comes outside, and that's just how it works. Now then, if they have
Dude, don't fucking do that!
Oh my god.
Are you fucking retarded?
Always Santos.
You're gonna bill me out. Okay, I'm right here. Sorry, I have winter in my hands.
Are you crazy?
if they do not
Like it's Steven! Thank you, love! Oh my gosh, that one's so cool. Can you, it's always Santos. Can you guys imagine that, Principal, can you try to turn the, now that I raised it up, can you try to turn the comments on and see if, can you guys still see if the comments are on? If not, we'll turn them back off. Because we're only going to watch parts of this, but I want to be able to see what you guys are thinking. Okay, can you guys, now that the comments are on, can you guys still see? Funeral! Thank you, love! Oh my gosh. Funeral, when we're done with this, we can run a quick one. Okay, so you guys can see. Okay, so we're going to do this part where she's getting advice from an attorney, right? And she still doesn't do it. But look at baby W in through all of this. And then here comes Scamtoes himself with a water pew going out there to the police officers. Like, he isn't up. Okay, we'll finish this up here.
shut up. If they do not say the words,
And then we'll do
you
the
did
part
serve,
of when she turns him over.
then they did not serve you. But Bree, they might
It was
sit
in the past one.
outside all night long, all day, until they can serve you. Because the police
Travis.
do that.
Wait, hold on.
Was it Travis?
But he's mentioned.
Hold on, guys.
Yeah.
Hey, get that phone.
Travis,
Yeah, bring me the phone.
All about content.
Shit.
I got you, kid, in the back of the colina.
Travis, can you go from the side door?
Yeah, bring me the phone.
Just park right here.
Here, wait.
Go from the side door.
No, he can't get in. No. Right now.
Can you give her the phone?
No, they can't come in.
All right, okay. Travis, we're gonna get it.
I agree, Lori.
Sorry. What'd you say, Cole?
It's okay. I was just trying to say that it's
Oh, it's so loud.
situation. If the police are outside your home and you don't answer, this is what they can
Sorry.
service doesn't make it go away. Basically, they can send it by mail, by email, or publication, which means that they can have someone else do it. They can sit outside, Bree. However, if they actually have a warrant for you,
Hello.
let's say that for some, okay, so if there's a court order in Texas and you cross the state lines without permission, it's considered
Oh, I'll tell you in a second,
parental
honey.
kidnapping. And under the federal law in custody jurisdiction, it is a felony. And the
No,
federal
not
offense
Ruby.
under the parental kidnapping, it's a whole act. It's called like Parental Kidnapping Act. And if you violate the custody order,
Wait,
you
Trav,
can't
wait.
have a warrant for your arrest. So, if you do not answer the door, they cannot serve you. Do not answer the door.
Okay.
They cannot get.
Well, I'm not going outside, but we've been, like, I talked to them over the balcony. They were trying to get me to come down and, like, read the papers, basically. But I was like, no.
Yes. The second you get downstairs, Bree, they will say the words, "You've been served," and they'll do it. If they had a warrant for your arrest and you didn't get in the house, they could easily call a judge and say, "We need a search warrant."
Okay, but how likely is it that they're going to get a warrant for tomorrow? Because I mean, that seems like
Is that what they
the next
told you,
obvious
Jordan?
step. They will. It's just the next obvious step.
Did they say the word that's going to be a warrant for your arrest?
No.
No, but that's the next obvious step. Of course they're going to do that.
No, you don't know that. It's a civil matter. It has nothing to do with them.
No, unfortunately it does, because you crossed state lines, so it became state and federal now. So, Bree, because you crossed the state of Texas.
Sorry, really fast. I know I hate to keep stopping, but I've had a couple people asking, what is this context? So just really quick. back in March of 2025, Bree was required to have visitation with baby W in Texas and Texas only. She didn't know because she was in Miami partying and chose not to go to court. We know that because she came online and said that when people said how to court go, she's like, I didn't go. I'm in Miami partying. I'll figure that out later. Now, she was served the documents. She read the documents online, but there was an error per se because she had an attorney. She got rid of the attorney before she had Miss Fonseca, and so they did not redo her service agreement. So she was served electronically. And she should have been served in person, but she's hiding her service in person. So that is the only reason she did not get parental kidnapping. But if you guys remember, when I was reading the last transcript, the judge laid into her about this situation. And again, this standoff is over 2 hours long. We're not going to watch the whole thing. We're going to listen to what she does with the attorney, what she says to the police, and then I'm going to fast forward to where she actually has to turn baby W over to John. And you are not going to believe how she acts. But that's what this is about. Okay, here we go.
Line in the state of California, it became federal.
Okay, so they
I was
eventually
sick
can get a
watching
warrant?
this.
Yes, they can.
Yes,
In the
bitch,
House
they can get a
and the
warrant.
state lines, it is, they can move very quickly to issue a warrant for your arrest. 100%. They can do it within the same day, depending on the urgency. And
So what do you think I should do right now? Do you think I should just...
well, they can pull federal charges on you, Bree. So if they think that you're
Blind Peach because of the service. I'll explain again.
then they can push it to the federal level. And you can
Jordan's very annoying.
First of all, do not try to leave. Because
I'm not going to try and leave. I was just going to stay in the house. Everyone shut up.
What are you doing? I'll watch it. I'll watch it. I need to talk to her, make sure she's not doing something dumb. Santos, bro.
if you have your lawyer, if you still have a lawyer, Bree,
No,
you
it's
can
not her
ask your
lawyer.
What to do. And right now, I'm just telling you what you're legally going through. Right now, they have not served you, so you do not have to abide by the court order. If you were previously told in writing you need to return Winter by noon, then you have to do it, or they will issue a warrant for your arrest, and they can do that within 3 hours.
But they're
Oh my
saying
god,
it's
we're
fine
almost
as
at
an
1 million
ex parte,
tabs,
because
y'all.
they're in-person serving. Is that
And
correct?
1,000 daily heartbeats. Thank you so much.
If they sent anything in writing, email, any form of publication, any form of absolutely anything, and you ignore it, it does come a warrant.
I'll explain how she got away with it, you guys, when this is done, okay? I promise.
So, who? No, my other phone is lost from yesterday. I don't know where it's at. That was the only one I have.
Well, I don't want to take the chance of them actually having sent it.
Yeah, but I never received it. I don't have the fucking phone. That's the only one I have his lawyer on.
That's going to hold in court.
Yeah, it's not.
Offer a DNA test.
Alright. Guys, I think I'm gonna go to the courthouse tomorrow.
He's sucking.
Because I don't want to send my phone.
So what are you trying to do?
I don't know. I think I
they
should.
could just get a warrant today, which they probably will.
I'll recap in a minute, guys.
I think I should get a
Thank you,
lawyer first and see
Cassie.
if I can file something for like.
I don't think you're gonna be. It's not. You're gonna be way too slow.
Right.
It's gonna end with a warrant and you giving it back. Either way.
I mean, you can go on.
That's the unfortunate truth.
So what do they
We
want?
may be able to hold it off one day, max.
So what do they want me to do? They want me to hand the child to the cops or to him?
The cops.
You might as well give him back before you have a warrant to get him jail.
I think right now,
Should I go to jail?
past
I'm
this
just
point, no, stop. Past this point, nothing could happen.
Just for the experience.
Past this point, absolutely nothing could happen. They
Santos,
still
great
I asked
advice.
them criminally, you can't be charged in Texas, you can't be charged here.
Crazy.
He doesn't know about Texas, but he knows about here. That's what he said.
Wait, ask him how
but
long
he
I'll
said,
be in
no,
jail.
wait, stop. No, I asked him. I
1
was like, okay, that sounds
million,
very
you
specific.
guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much.
It's my phone.
Oh, it's your phone. Okay. I asked him. I was like, "Listen, is she gonna get tried in Texas on?"
No, one person cares about that baby
They
there.
said, because it was a good time to see the
shit.
child. They said that would be a civil thing.
Okay.
They said that would not be criminal if you give Winter back right now.
Well, can I do it tomorrow morning?
No.
Why not?
We need to do this. We can't. I know we do. But we're not breaking tomorrow. Fuck, I know winter is supposed to spend something.
Did you hear that? Well, we can't turn them over today. We have things to do tomorrow. They have content that they had scheduled for tomorrow. This is blowing my mind. And I watched this last year. I was in tears. Watching it back is pissing me off anymore. We have things to do tomorrow. I can't.
I know, winter, we're supposed to be here for my birthday. I've been all seriousness. I think we're prolonging the inevitable. That's what baby boy. It's okay.
Well, I guess I may have to. I'll take the papers first. Can somebody grab the papers for me?
I could grab the papers, but what's that gonna do?
I'll have to read them. I'm not gonna just
All right, so
trust invisible papers.
The poor baby.
Well, can I take pictures of them and bring them up to me?
No, they gotta serve her.
Okay, Cole, what if I go grab the papers and then I tell them that, like, I got an attorney and my attorney needs to see them, so I'm waiting on my attorney to get here.
You can't do it.
If they serve you, it's done.
Once you're served, you're served.
They can give you a warrant for not abiding by it.
So sad.
Once you're served, you're served.
That the problem is that once you are served papers, it is then they can form a warrant against your arrest.
Okay.
Now, they can also serve you papers via
Just
email.
pretend you're not here. So they could serve you.
They can do
But
it.
the cops just told me they cannot electronically serve anything. That's
This
what
is
they, I asked them. They said in California you cannot.
No, watch Miss Rachel.
That's what they just told me.
And isn't the country, where's the country?
It's actually like
It's in California still.
California.
Okay, so they might not be able to do it, but they can possibly do it right now. If we have a permit.
Sure, damn, buddy.
Honestly, they're probably going to stake it out, knowing the state of California. They're going to stake it out.
Well, that's not gonna. I
Waiting for
feel
them
like
up. Can I get
aren't
a
we
second
just
look for
delaying
them?
the inevitable at this point?
Yes.
Hey, Cole, how long would I go to jail for?
Bro,
It could free you would never.
Yes, Danica, yes.
yeah. Dude, let's just get it.
You guys, picture. Hold on, I'll flip this. Oh, I gotta turn this on. Picture for a second. Wait. Picture for a second. Mind you, John is parked down the hill. Per the police. He is parked down the hill. Imagine watching this happen. Imagine, no one's paying attention to the child. The child's fussing. All of the noise going on. You got they never damn the damn TTS off. The TTS is blowing stuff. Everybody's yelling and saying different stuff when it is so easy. Turn the baby over. And then the way she acts when she does, I'm surprised she's the one that she's not the one that went to jail instead of Itai. But this is so sickening. And I'll explain again why she didn't get in trouble and why she didn't go to jail. We're just going to watch this part with the attorney, and then I'm going to skip forward to when she turned the baby over. And then after court, if we want to kind of rewatch some of this stuff, then we can do that as well, okay? So, here we go. We're going back to the action. Oh, you guys can see it okay with the light on. Okay.
I'm just gonna trust their word for it. They're literally just.
Yeah, don't trust the police. Trust Jordan.
Let me see if I could have a workaround.
She's vile.
Like 30 minutes later, you can read the papers.
Yeah, tell them I need time to read.
Oh, they have it, honey.
They're not going to get a warrant for you for like a couple hours.
I know, but I'm just saying I'm gonna go get the papers, but I don't have to. I get like 30 minutes to read them, no?
No.
No, so once you get the papers, if you do not abide by them, they will file an arrest for you.
I think it's worth delaying the inevitable. You have to. I don't want you not to be able to ever see me. That's not the way.
Love you. You sound so nice. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go upstairs.
Free. It's best for everyone. Do not open the door or the police right now.
Yeah, no one's talking to them. So I should just go down there by myself?
They're saying to have one guy come with them. They tell me to come down.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, one guy's gonna help.
You is accept the papers and immediately contact the lawyer. Before you open the door, for your presence.
Okay, get a reason. Okay, got it. So the second we get down there, ask them what is the reason for your presence.
Yeah, great question. They already know.
Hey, sir. Question: what is the reason for your presence? Mine is to serve Jesus Christ. Okay. And what should they what should the answer be? They serve papers and that's it?
If they say,
No, drama.
So, all right, I'm gonna keep you on the phone with me, and you can tell me if what they say is correct.
We have a bunch of chargers in our drawer. So let me change your diaper. Don't put it on us.
Bree, she's saying before you go down here.
What?
you need to say this through a window or through the door, not face to face. Hi, can you please tell me why you're here? You can also ask, do you have a warrant? Great. If they say the words, yes, we have a warrant, your name is changed, go away.
Okay. And then if they say they don't
I'm
have
gonna keep you on the phone. with us.
I know, baby, I know. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, my heart. Literally calling, yes. Y'all hang on tight because there's a bunch more to come. It's about to get good.
Okay, guys, she's going down there. I don't think she's on the stream anymore, but
Wait. Sorry. Last time. This boggles my mind. I don't know why this boggles my mind. She legitimately asked me, well, can they come up here or we can do whatever? I can't go too far away from the house because I'm going to lose my Wi-Fi. I don't care about losing my child, but I don't want to lose my Wi-Fi. Watch. It's crazy. Yes, court is tomorrow. We'll go over that too, guys. Oh, this pisses me off.
We don't legally have to do shit.
1.1 million.
Right now.
No, don't open the door. Tell them, oh, fucking, why is this door?
Officer. Officer.
Oh, I'm so serious. Let me see if I can skip forward here. It's thinking. There we go.
You're gonna take the baby.
Oopsies. Sorry, buddy. There we go.
Will you let us read the ones that we did not receive? They're gonna let us.
Yeah, she so doesn't care that she violated his privacy. Wait, is it better with this light off? Hold on. There you go. Okay.
The papers through the gate. Let me hand. You stay back. Wait, you come up here.
Travis, shut up!
One sec. You think the best idea is for me to hold Winter and Winter over right
Is here to change?
What should I do?
Oh, let me go up. Oh, wrong way.
so the lady,
Oh, I can't make it any bigger. Sorry.
the attorney, she's saying not to hand Winter over. Just
So should we leave Winter with somebody else, or should we have to give us a court order behind him?
leave Winter inside the house. Bring him.
Well, we need Will. You can record it, Grace Winter. Take Winter upstairs. You can record it on this live record.
Oh, I can't discount. I'll just fast like do this 2 times. Okay.
Attorney's saying basically for Bree, don't hand the baby over, bring the baby back in bed. Just get the papers that they're trying to give her, and then that's it.
This is from Cake a year ago.
She gets the papers. They'll literally stay out here all day and night.
Yeah, they're not leaving until they get the baby. As a reminder, guys, she was supposed to turn the baby over on this day. She was supposed to turn the baby over at noon at the police station. She didn't. She didn't show up. John reached back out to her. We went over this in the court docs yesterday. John reached out to her at 1:15, and she says, he's sleeping, and that's too far away, so I'm not going to go. And that is how he then had to go and get a court order, and it turned into this 2-hour standoff. Okay? I'm going to break everything down once we're done. We're only going to watch parts of it. Like this part I can skip through. Look at this.
He's here.
Did you guys see that? Forget winner. Not even focused on that. 80,000 viewers. That was their focus. In a little bit, you're going to see them hip, hip, hooray over the amount of money. This is sickening. I don't think this woman should ever have contact with that child again. But that's... I'll let y'all decide. 80,000 viewers. That was their concern.
Okay, she told her to say she's accepting the papers, but she's not giving over the baby.
Okay, yeah.
She said if they say that they need to give Winter over right now, and she doesn't, they can arrest her on the spot. But we don't know if that's what they're going to say. Supposedly, they're just saying that they're going to serve her.
Have you seen? I'm going to have you some more time so we can reiterate to them. We're going to
Want me to go out there?
Yes, she has to go out there, right?
No.
No?
Bree. Me.
Can you accept the paper?
Okay.
So I'm going to go down there. See what he's watching Miss Rachel.
Yep, just leave the baby unattended. No problem.
Okay, I want you to read them. You can take a photo.
Yeah, I would love to do a photo.
And then you can just go through the pages also. Just okay, so some colors. May I ask you what was that phrase that has to be in there? Legally take Winter.
Hold on. They got froze. She had to go back in. Give me just a second.
Oh, that's what it said.
There you go.
Sure, thank you.
The judge issued an emergency order to give the other parent temporary legal rights of Winter. So this could, you have just violation of the custody order. The order gives them legal authority to remove your child immediately. It is usually short term, but Bree, they can take it.
Okay, so I should just give him now?
Yeah,
You
bitch.
should ask, you say, I just, if you disagree, read it directly with Visitation permanent custody.
Okay.
Got it. Okay, so you were saying to ask if we could just pack his stuff and say goodbye. How long is atypical of us to have for this specific situation?
Why don't you ask and just say,
Yeah, ask him,
are
please,
you
dummy.
legally required to remove him from my custody in this very moment?
Are you guys legally required to remove the baby from our custody at this very moment?
Just what it states right there. It states that
Saying
They're
what
pointing
it
us back to the paperwork and saying what it states. Right there.
Is it a verbal?
Literally. The milk shit.
Required
Killing me.
to take the baby out of my custody?
Sorry, we just need a verbal confirmation.
Okay, so we need a verbal confirmation. But we need a verbal confirmation that you guys are here to take him right now.
Due to the fact that I wasn't surrendered to Central. I was written.
Got it. But
No,
this
Jordan,
says
they
that
wanted
we're
to just come
supposed
hang out with you, you dumbass.
So this isn't stating that you guys have to come here and take him right now. I'm not trying to be difficult. I just want for legal purposes.
I'm just saying that you guys didn't surrender. You guys didn't take him there.
Yeah, I never got the
We never
paperwork,
got the
so
notice,
I'm
which is
just
why he's
finding
gonna
out.
write a business card saying we didn't get it.
Do you want to ask him
Yeah.
for verbal confirmation?
Yeah, so-
Okay, sorry, we just had a question.
So could we have verbal confirmation that you guys are required to take Winter at this very moment?
Yes, we're required to take her at this very moment.
We should take him at this very moment. Okay,
It
so
should have been as of noon, but she said she wasn't aware.
okay. Can we take him to?
Can we bring?
Can we pack his stuff, say goodbye, and bring him
You
within
can-
a couple hours?
No,
We
bitch.
can do it right now.
Oh, sorry.
Because
Okay.
we're here right now.
How long?
How long? Can we have
10 minutes? 15 minutes?
Can we have a reasonable 15, 20 minutes to
15
just
minutes?
get ready?
That's
Okay.
fine.
All right, we'll do that.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Do you have any questions? Did you take a photo of this?
I
No,
did
let's
it.
do that.
Okay,
All right,
let's do
let's
that.
do
right now. So
Here, I'm
yeah.
gonna take pictures.
Oh, she irks my nerves.
And then could we please start getting that business card written up stating that shit
As
up?
soon as
Exactly,
you take your
Lissa.
photo,
I said same
we'll
thing.
write your business card.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
You absolutely can say respectfully, can I please be the one to take and drive the baby, returning him to the father so that he does not. You can say this. I understand. I want to cooperate. May I please be the one to return my son to his father so it's not a
Yeah, so what, you're gonna take him in the police car?
No, I have the
Was he
phone.
right there?
Okay, if he can come up and I can do the exchange with him.
You don't want to drive him?
No,
I mean, he's already.
We don't have to drive one.
I mean, just so I can, make sure he gets in his
If you
car
give me
seat.
the baby, then I'm gonna take him down the hill.
In the police car?
We're gonna walk down the hill.
Oh, okay.
Just ask why you can't hand him to John.
I didn't say you couldn't.
Okay, I prefer that. Could you maybe ask him?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Can you go
So
get
excited to see
Yeah,
John,
I'll do
as
that right
always.
now.
He's taking photos, and then I'll get your business
Then
card.
we have the business card, please.
Sorry.
There's no way to photocopy this.
If I was in this situation and I knew, I was about to hand over my baby, there would not have been a second of time. I would not have been holding on him, loving him, telling him, taking, whatever. I would have, she hasn't even thought about the child. She's more concerned about getting shots and being on stream and all of that stuff. It legitimately blows my mind.
This is my only copy.
Gotcha. We have a
Sick.
That's what I was asking.
You want me to go up there with you?
Chat, do we want him to go?
Is that a cop? No.
Asking the chat.
Nothing gets email.
I can't.
Just in case. I got it, sir.
No, do the business card.
You guys are amazing at 1.1 million taps. We got this, guys. Let's go.
How do you feel about this, Travis?
Did you see the pictures that they had in there?
Bro, what was it?
Bro, it's like pictures of it.
The stripper pole?
Yeah. Yeah, that's so crazy. I know.
How?
Printed out pictures from Jalila's TikToks and stuff.
Oh my god. Okay, let's go see.
No, wait. The pictures. Let's just make sure we have everything going on here recorded.
I believe the judge did see this, if I'm correct. I'd have to go back and look. I'm just going to skip through all this part.
I just want to confirm this.
This is taking pictures and whatnot.
Well, she was looking at a survey. Anyway, we'll talk to here. So what I want to ask is, she took the child from Texas. When was her parenting time? There's no kidnapping charge that's going to happen.
There's
Texas
no kidnapping charge here.
Or Texas.
Or else you have the baby already.
Or Texas, is that correct?
I don't know about Texas. I don't know what Texas. I don't know her agreements. Well, I do know her agreement in Texas. But
So will
I
she
can't
be...
speak for Texas. I can speak for
He
us.
can only speak for the state of California. He doesn't know anything about Texas. They're not connected at all.
Understood.
So there might be different requests or legal action taken in Texas, but currently they only know what's going on.
Yeah, I'll answer all questions when this is done, guys. It's too hard for me to see them, but I'll answer all your questions, I promise. 1.2 million tabs, you guys are amazing. And not too much longer, again, I'm going to speed through this. What happened? Oh, boop.
Right? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Will's mom is a child custody. Chat. What do you think? That was on screen. Like, what's the big deal about that picture? She's just laying with the child. What is that? The TV with people in the room.
Okay, all this, I don't really care about either. Hold on.
Is that illegal? Is that illegal to watch cartoons with a baby? Miss Rachel, we love Miss Rachel. We all love Miss Rachel. Miss Rachel. Let's see. Now, this could be perceived in a not so positive way. There was no child present. Thank you. Everything's okay. Thank you.
Hey there, neighbor.
He's the best.
I love him. He's nice. Can you open the door for me so I can get in? I have to say bye to Winter.
When you get that, no, wait, actually, excuse me, so I get the business card.
Okay.
Just want to make sure we show.
So, really quick, last time I stopped. So, this is where they're going to get ready to walk down. Bree and the police are getting ready to walk down to hand baby W over to John. And watch what happens. Yeah, let me turn that off. Okay. Oh my God, that sound. Jordan always thinks he's in the midst of something.
Hey, what's up, Cole? Just me and chat and volley.
Wait, can you mute him?
Here, I'll mute it.
I'm gonna fast forward till they get there.
Travis, what do you have to say? What do you have to say?
It's just ridiculousness, at least no one's going to jail. That's all good.
No, nobody's going to jail.
It could be way worse. The cops are nice, That's the worst.
What were you doing down there? What were you doing down there?
There you go, brother Keith.
You were with 2K?
Fucking Santos, man.
I really appreciate you helping us out. Keep it moving.
Like, why? Why was Santos down there? Like, come on.
Where did you try going? Oh, almost all the way down. Jimmy got
Damn.
I heard somebody hey, Lisa, I ran all the way down there. That's crazy. Her lawyer is my basketball teammate's girlfriend.
Oh, shit.
So this case will get signed up for.
Wait, I want to come too. No, don't go. He's going to sit in the car. Bob is next. What? I'm innocent.
Someone send me.
God, he's dying right now. Oh, shit. Where's Jordan?
I just want to get to the part. This voice is annoying me.
Alright, we're gonna go see Winter. We'll be back. Okay. Santos is looking for me. Who? The Flag Boy Q. Wow, that's funny. Oh shit. He's not down there?
He's gonna have to come and get his son.
Concerned citizens
I just need this for 1 second.
what happens when you don't believe chat. Anonymous tipped $5. Do you think Texas CPS is a joke? You have a problem.
My jurisdiction is in California, not Texas, huh? She's here?
He's lying.
Oh my god.
I just want to get to the part where they...
Anonymous tipped $5. Why didn't you ask what happens if you don't give him back up?
We did.
Yeah, I'll do it. I say no.
No, we did. We're still talking, right?
Anonymous tipped $5.
He's just waiting for the business card.
I got another one, but I don't know.
You tipped $5. I love you, Bree. You got this.
What are you smiling at?
You got this. Team try.
Anonymous tipped $5. Is he really in the same clothes as yesterday?
And he took a bath last night, put new clothes on.
Anonymous tipped $5. Don't worry, we're together and Grandma are outside waiting for you.
No, they're not outside.
Emily Rose tipped $5. Think about the psychological mindfuck you're putting your own son through. Sit together, you dumb pussy popping bitch.
Oh! That was a good one. Let's see.
Tipped $5. Don't put your tears on it again.
I may be a dumb bitch, but I'm trying dumb bitch. I'm gonna be a retired dumb bitch.
$5. But that is a sweetheart.
Do you guys... wrong one. Do you guys want me just to skip through this or just do it at 2 times? Should I just skip forward to where they go? Okay, I just needed 1 yes. Thank you. Oh, here we go.
The swag or sway?
I think this is where it goes. And the purpose of all of them prepping and getting ready, I don't know.
What's your name and badge number?
Now they're just badgering the cops.
Sergeant Villanueva. He's just from 8662. He's totally just fucking. No need to say
No, he showed up for clout because he fell off. That's why he showed up.
Seriously, for clout? Yeah, swag is in the blue car. Fast forward again.
Yeah, you're doing like no, you think that that's not her. That's not
the dad.
He's down there. He's past the blue car.
Oh, past the blue car. He's over there. We'll walk.
I know it's hot.
Oops. Now she's concerned it's hot, but she's had them sitting out there for 2 hours. Stop it.
Now, I don't want him to come up here. You want to go on the MC20? You want to drive the MC20?
It's right there.
No, walk down the... Oh my god.
Patrol cars? That's where he's at.
Irritating.
No, I can't do that. No, let's get a car seat.
Vale is the only one that has any damn sense through all of this. You
He
know?
has to be in a car seat.
Yeah. We're almost to the end, guys. What purpose? Why? What are we doing? Santos is the most immature little prick ever. Like, let's just do some sit-ups for no reason.
Mia.
What's up, Mia? So I think you make them.
She coming?
Like, why are they all like, what is he doing? Why is he going down there? It's hard for me to see your comments because it's going over there, guys, but I'll answer them, I promise you. Oh, the sound is so annoying. Okay, here we go.
Before you give me the business card, sir, we want to get that on camera, please. Thank you. Thank you.
Shut up, Jordan. Exactly. Even the way she's holding them here is just like so nonchalant. I would be a basket case.
No, I'm from Mexico. He doesn't have his papers. Can we take him? Do they have $800? No tiene papeles. We want to see how Mexican this guy is. Say Calabasas. Calabasas. California. Say Home Depot. Home Depot? Depot. Say McDonald's. McDonald's.
Okay, I'm gonna fast forward through this bullshit.
Santos, what'd you flush in the toilet?
Nothing about any of this is funny to me. Stupid. Okay, here we go. Finally.
Yeah, we'll come back and give her. Okay, do you want me to follow you with recording? No, I don't want you to follow me.
Exactly. Did he just say I'm not asking you, I'm asking Bree? What a piece of shit. Listen, they are so... Oh my God. They are very lucky. A lot of other cops would have acted on that.
Yeah, let her get her phone.
Oh yeah, she wants to make sure she records. Important. Instead of spending the last few seconds with your son, record.
Bye, Winter. Bye, baby.
100K live viewers. It's crazy. That's 100K live viewers. That's it? Oh, that's it, bro. That's it.
You hear
I
him?
can't follow her, guys. Y'all can go to her stream.
Only talking about the numbers.
Oh, she's flicking off screen.
So look, this is my first name and my partner's last name. Well, last name and last name. Our unit number, we work for Hollywood Station. All right, that's the phone number to the station. That's today's date and time, and then the incident number.
Okay.
And basically, we just responded to a radio call of a court order. All right.
Okay.
We advise you of it, and then you brought your baby down, so we give it back to the father.
Okay.
Here's the court order, which stated that the child.
We already showed you that, so you know.
Basically, what you know already.
Okay.
So here's a copy of it also.
No, wait, that's not hers, is it?
That's
it.
Oh, that is his.
Okay.
That's why she took photos of
So
it.
photos of it.
Okay. You have any questions for us?
No, just make sure they're not rambunctious.
They're not rambunctious.
That's really good.
Oh my God. All they've been doing.
Good boy.
Ooh, I want to slap her.
Come on.
Bye, Winter. I love you.
Come here. I got you. Come here.
He's like, thank God, get me away from her.
Here's his ointment. Weirdos. Other weirdos.
Can you go back up there now? You don't need to.
Do I have to? I just want to make sure they get the fuck out of my neighborhood. Bye.
Let them stay away. So
Bye. I think they have to do a U-turn up my hill, actually.
we're gonna facilitate a reverse.
Okay.
That's fine. Thank you.
Okay. Bye. Go take care of your sexual assault charges. Fucking weirdo. You too. He has a lot of sexual assault charges, guys. Watch out for him.
We'll just have them wait down the hill, dude, and we'll bring our business card.
John Giese. Watch out for him, guys.
Wait back. Where we called you guys?
Bye. Leave my neighborhood. Bye. You're not allowed here. This is a tax bracket. You cannot drive up this hill if you're broke. There's your best friend, baller. Go say hi. Wait with them.
Mom or the
Both.
dad?
He doesn't know how to drive, guys. He doesn't know how to drive.
Oh, he has a driver?
It's okay.
His trainer.
Oh, that's 2K. I thought that's chick. I thought that's chick.
Let's see if they show the
I
arrest.
told
Hold
them
on.
that they're too broke to drive up this hill, so they have to back out.
Also, you should do regular.
How funny is that since now she's broke?
Alright, guys. I'm gonna go get some help for my PPD.
What are you doing?
and
No,
my-
stop.
Listen to this.
Stop. No, just go. Stop.
Look at Santos.
No, you're not. Stop. Stop it.
Really? What'd they say? What happened? Did you get on live? Did you get it, check?
All they care about. Did you get it?
Stop it.
Okay.
Yo.
Hey, record.
Hey. Just so you know. Let's go. Let's go. I have your word. Don't let me push you. I have your word.
Hey, go get Babe. Babe, go get my food. Go get my food, please.
Go get the food. Good boy.
You're good.
They're definitely not getting each other. I know.
Dude, I swear to God, if they start shit.
Yeah, well, that's not listen, I told them what I doing.
Thank you. You have a better day.
Thank you guys for being cool. They didn't want to be here. I like that. Well, that was really nice.
Look at all the cars waiting. Oh my fucking God. Guys, this is not the end. I will seek mental health. Wait,
What?
I will
Listen.
seek mental help. I will go to kidnapping classes. I will pass my kidnapping classes. I will pass my PPD and therapy classes, and I will get my son back. And I will make sure that I do a complete 180, not 360. Complete 180. And I'm going to show you guys that this was just a silly little moment. Look, I take accountability because I'm an adult and I'm a mother. I take accountability for my wrong actions. But I don't.
So now that it's done, what are your wrong actions? Because you've been fucking lying to me.
Okay, does anybody want to hear the rest of this, or are we good? This is just them doing their bullshit nonsense. Are we good? We're good? Oh, play it? Okay, I'll play it. I got you. Whatever you guys want.
No idea what's going on.
I ain't gonna lie, you
Fucking almost got me arrested.
We're like 50-50. We'll play it a little bit longer and
She
see what we
said that
got.
y'all aren't a part of it.
She's.
Oh, sorry.
We would've
Oh, it's
been
only
if
3
they
minutes.
came back.
Okay, we'll play out the 3 minutes.
Why would you not? Bro. All right, Chad. You're right. All right. You're right. She's full of fucking shit.
It's like
Yeah.
I almost got you a birthday present, but I didn't. So I
But
didn't.
why the fuck would you lie to me?
I didn't lie to you.
You could have gotten us all fucking arrested.
Yeah. Ow!
She didn't get served, but had a warrant for a fuck.
Okay. A mess, y'all. Can you believe that was like literally a year and like 4 or 5 days ago? I think that was on March 25th. It legitimately blew. First of all, can I shout you guys out? We have 1.3 million taps, 1,000 daily heartbeats, and there's 1.9 people in here. I so appreciate you guys so much. I do have some other tea, some other gossip that came in firsthand here. Let me see if I can get it. Oh, not that one. Wait, it was principal. Oh, wait, hold on. I may have to wait. Why didn't it come up here? Anyways, so let's talk about this, right? For those of you guys that don't know, the reason why parental kidnapping was not charged on her, and I talked about this in the beginning, so I'll make it short, is she had an attorney, and she got rid of that attorney, didn't pay, whatever the case may be. So there was several months where she was pro se. She knew she had a court date. I think it was like March 7th, whatever it was. Anyways, she knew she had that court date. And she was in Miami. She chose not to go to court. She comes on live. They said, why didn't you go to court? She's like, I'm in Miami. I have better stuff to do. So she knew she had it. She was then she was served the papers via email. She read all of the paperwork on live. So we know she got them. She read them. She consulted an attorney. I don't even know if the person she was talking to was an attorney. The problem is, when you go from having an attorney and going pro se, which is what she was at the time, they have to basically redetermine how does she want to be served. Does she want to continue to be served via electronically or in person? Which in person for her would be miserable because she hides it. And they didn't do that. So that was Taylor's one big kerfuckle. Had that been served, I feel like this case would have been closed long ago. So the judge still does look at it. She doesn't look at it as a kidnapping, but nonetheless, she says repetitively, you had a court order. You didn't follow the court order. You didn't go to the police station when you were supposed to. You, excuse me, you had a 2-hour police standoff. So many people could have got hurt. That could have gone so wrong, and all for what? So it's still been a huge contingency with this judge. It's just the error of it did not get served properly. And then walking down to the car, handing over, it was like, okay, bye, Winter, love you. She was so fixated on John. Be a good boy, don't do that. It's absolutely sickening. Okay. Does anyone have any questions on that we just watched? Because now we're going to go back to the certificates. Somebody sent me something about the certificates being fakeronis. And so I want to pull those up. This has been a good live, guys. So glad I'm feeling better. Will it be used in the trial? Probably. I mean, some of it may, because they've already went over it at lengths. And a lot of it, unfortunately, has to be thrown out because, again, she wasn't served properly. Like, I wish more than anything, if she was served properly, can you imagine where we would be? It would have been wraps. I don't think she would have had any custody, any visitation. But this is why the judge is so hard on her. No, visitation is in Dallas and surrounding counties, and it may even condense further than that. Yeah, the parenting class certificate. Okay, who sent them to me? Well, oh, it was probably in TikTok. Hold on. If you guys are not already following me, please make sure you guys follow along, because over these next couple of days, a whole lot is going to come out. Lala, thank you so much. A whole lot is going to come out. I want to make sure you get the correct information. Not that no one else, other people don't put it out, but a lot of people give you like a quick summary, or they'll put the paperwork out. Where over here, we go over absolutely everything. I'm in 99.1. You guys. Oh my God. Well, we're going to have to plan our 100K here soon. Okay, go to messages. Who sent me the screenshots? Let me see. What did people send me? Okay, I can't pull that up. Oh, good. Then feudal stuff, we'll do that later. I like the military one. Can somebody tell me much the reflection of what love? Oh, in my eyes? Oh, I'm just showing the like TikTok stuff. Who sent it to me? Yes, tomorrow is for, if I'm correct, tomorrow is for a visitation. Teaching you should on her page. But somebody sent them to me while we were on here. I don't do Reddit. I don't know how to do that. But somebody sent them to me, and I cannot remember who. Shannon sent it. Okay, let me look and see. Are Shannon and I friends? I mean, of course we're friends, but I mean like mutuals. Oh, Sammy. Was it Sammy? Sammy. That would make sense. Because Sammy is the mother. Sammy, did you send him to? She emailed me. You guys, I swear to God. Hold on. Let me pull it up real fast. You guys are the fucking best. Hold on. You guys, I swear to God. Hold on. Let me pull it up real fast. You guys are the fucking best. Hold on. No, I don't have anything from Sammy in email. You emailed the court docs, right, Sammy? But somebody's talking about the certificates. Somebody sent something about the certificates showing they're fake. It was Shannon. What is Shannon's was it principal? Well, principal's name is not Shannon though. I think I was saying principal because she was emailing to me. Oh, maybe she texted him. I texted you stuff from... Okay, gotcha. Okay. Go to principal's name. Why did it not pop up over here? Okay, give me one more second and then we're gonna get it done. Hold on. Okay, I got it. I tell y'all, it is a team effort over here. Okay? We do this all together. I could not do it without y'all. All right, let's see what Sammy sent us. Okay, so Sammy sent us some documents. For those of you guys that are just joining in regards to this, Bree sent in some new documentation today, stating that she completed a parenting class, a high conflict parenting class, and she also provided her second documentation, which is that Santos completed a high conflict parenting class. Nobody knows why. Santos is not a part of this case. But nonetheless, the two documents didn't even look the same at all. Matter of fact, I'll pull that up first just so you guys can see that. In case you weren't here. Okay, let's go back to here. I really wish I was... I got to work on my skills because I got to get better for you guys. But I appreciate you guys always hanging in there for me. Okay, here we go. Boop, boop, be-doop. Okay. And then, thank you, Sunny. And everybody who gifted while we were doing that, thank you guys so... Santos is just zoomed in more. Okay. Thank you guys so much for all of the gifts. I wasn't able to see them because I was seeing over the thing. So I just want to make sure I tell you I appreciate you guys. Okay. So the new court docs that came in, they're quick, so I'll just review it. This is from Bree's side. It says Declaration of Respondents Council RE, lodging of certificate of completion of high conflict parent education classes. I, Lindsay, hereby declare as follows. I am respondent's attorney in the above entitled action. I offer my declaration in lieu of personal testimony pursuant to blah, 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 blah. I offer this declaration in lieu of my personal testimony pursuant to marriage and We routinely lodge documents by way of notice of lodging pleadings with the documents attached. However, the clerk's office is erroneously rejecting our notice of lodging documents. Due to the above issue, I hereby lodge the following documents in my via my declaration. Number 1, certificate of completion of Brianna Lynn Olson in 13 weeks. High conflict parenting education class dated March 30, 2026, and attached hereto as Exhibit A. Number 2, certificate of completion of Santos Salazar in 13-week high conflict parenting education class dated March 30th, 2026, here as Exhibit B. Now, first I have to say, it is crazy that she has been ordered to take these parenting classes for so long. And the fact that you completed them 2 days before trial speaks volumes, right? Judges typically do not like that. We're going on near 2 years, and you're just doing it, okay? Page 1. And then here is her certificate. It says certificate of completion. This certifies that the person named has completed a 13-week parenting class. Item Industries, Inc. High conflict parenting education class. Brianna Olson for being an outstanding individual. Date of course completion 3/30/26. Awarded on March 30th, 2026. Certificate number 1, and then lists all the information. And then number 3 is Santos's. Again, Santos has nothing to do with the case, so not sure why it was put in, but nonetheless, we'll read it. Certificate of completion. This certifies that the person named has completed 13-week parenting class. Item Industries, Inc. High conflict parenting class, education class, Santos Salazar for outstanding individual. Completed 3/30, all of the same stuff. Okay? No. Yeah, and then I don't want the whole April Fool's thing. And now go to what Principal sent me. Oops, hold on. Done. Okay, so it says parents attend the class, but this is from the website of the place that they supposedly took the class. Okay. It says parents attend the classes based on court orders or simply as a way to learn better parenting skills. Parenting classes and co-parenting classes are found at Item Industries. The primary goal of parenting classes includes improving relationships between parents and their children and teaching parents how to deal with the daily responsibilities of maintaining a home and family in positive ways. Course content. High conflict parenting curriculum. Lesson 1. Item Industries. Blah, blah, blah. Here's Brian Autumn. For some reason. The CEO. I just dropped. This I'm not going to show because it has their names, address, not bringing them, but the people from the company. And then that's it. Oh, wait, hold on. Sorry. Wait, Sammy, I'm confused. What is this supposed to show, love? Reddit has a template of the certificate. It can be done in hours. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, it says we can't send these to Angie to prove these people claiming the CEO and therapist aren't coming up on Google. Oh, that's what she's saying. Oh. It's the same number. They're not coming up in Google. Oh, I'm about to do some research. Hold on. Let me get my handy dandy notebook. Shall we investigate? Hold on. I need to move these boxes, though, so I have room. I love you guys, but you're up close and personal, okay? Let me back you up a little bit. Back up, Jack. Okay. Let's do some, look at the dates again. They're different. The dates on the certificate, you mean? Oh, I gotta go back. Okay, hold on. Let me write this stuff down first so I'm not going back and forth. Okay, so I'm going to look up. The 13 weeks is what threw me off. There's typically not a 13-week class. Unless they skipped a week, but they would still count that as 12 weeks. Item Industries. I'm going to Byron item. Okay, let me look. Let me do. Just give me a second. Sorry, I hate not just chatting with you the whole time, but I gotta write this down. Elizabeth Sanchez. We on some real life detective shit today. Okay, and then hell is that? Higuera. Street. 202. Didn't even seem like a real address. San Luis. OBSPO. Okay, then the phone number. Okay, so I got the information written down. Now we're going to look it up. We're going to Google it and see what happens. Are you guys ready? Thank you guys for staying with me. We're at 1.4 million taps. Yes. Oh, I need the certificate number. Okay, hold on. I got you. I got you. I got you. Let me get it. I got you. Okay, Bree. Oh. Her certification number was 1. So was his. They're both of their certification number was 1. Oh, stop it. Okay, let's do a little digging, shall we, friends? Okay, so first I'm gonna look up item industries. Okay, so I got item industries with a totally different address. Well, that's interesting. Okay, let's look up parenting classes. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it's funeral in here. Funeral almost. If you're in here, we're almost done, and then we can do our battle. Let me see. Right now, I'm on detective work. Okay, trying to figure this out. Okay, let me see. Yeah. So all of the addresses for what's this place called? Item Industries that are on the certificate do not match Item Industries. The phone number does not match Item Industries at all. Let's go back. Let's see if we can find a Brian. Remember, Brian is the CEO. Okay, he's a CEO, so you know he's got to be in here. Odd that I'm not seeing Brian on anything here. Let me see. Certified team. Let's look at the team. See if we can find the team. See if we can find Elizabeth or Brian. Contact. Again, not the same addresses. Okay, let's do this. Let me open up a new tab. Okay, let me go. Byron. Item. CEO. Okay, there's a LinkedIn profile that says he's the CEO. I don't want to do all that. Whatever. Go away. No. I don't want to sign in. Okay, so this is some work I'm going to have to do. I'm going to have to do some work on the back end here. Sammy said she sent you the LinkedIn and therapist information. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to look at it that way because, honey, 1 + 1 is not equaling 2 over here. I'm not sure. Yeah, Melissa, listen, I don't know why the CEO would be signing the certificates because that never happens in regards to any type of agency. It's usually the counselor, the therapist, the social worker, whatever it is that you're doing. But I will assure this goes to the correct El Palacios. Okay? Because this is a bit crazy. Wow. Look at the dates of what, love? Oh, honey, you know I will. Oh, I'm on it. That was an email. Email. That's not it. Okay, I'm gonna go back through and look at all of that. I will get this up on YT as soon as I can. Day of 2026. Okay, look at dates. I got all the notes. You guys are freaking rock stars. Okay, funeral. Are you still in here? Funeral. Did you want to do our quick battles, or are you good for the night? Oh, I can't wait. Listen, if we can figure this out, I will stay up all night. If we can figure this out and get this over, this will be very interesting. If she turns in, okay, love. Just, I think my requests are off. Just, I don't know how to turn it back on. Listen, if she turns in these fraudulent documents to the judge, oh, honey. Oh, I'm on it. The CEO's name is Byron, Byron, last name Idom, IDOM. Turning in false documents and lying under oath. And she's worried about, apples and oranges or potato. I'm up, love. What is it? Tomato, potato, whatever the case may be, in regards to if 2K was at the hotel. Now, she said, Bree's attorney said that 2K stated over 3 days that he, in fact, was inside of the hotel when they showed up, and he was in there and he was sick and vomiting and he was afraid for his life. Now, we just read the transcripts, and I'm going to go over and read the rest of them tonight before they have court in the morning. And so far, all we've seen is he said, yes, that was my hotel. That was the hotel I was staying. They showed up at the hotel. You know what I'm saying? Is he ready? I'm not sure if he's ready. Hold on. Oh, yeah, he's not ready just yet. We got to give him a minute to get, yeah, he's not on just yet. When he is. Listen, y'all, I'm so glad my allergies done cleared up. Oh, you guys are right. Whoever told me about the nose spray in the eyes, my throat still feels raw, but listen, that was amazing. Compare the dates on Brie and Santos. Okay, let me pull it back up. I got you. Whatever you guys need, I got for you. Okay, was that sent to me in email? Yes. I forget that stuff sent all over. Okay, email. Come on. Breeze kick, new docs. The other thing too that gets me on these is the date of course is the 3/30/2026, and then awarded on, then it says March 30, day of 2026, which is again another odd way of putting dates. Wait, where's the dates? Here. Okay, So now let's look at Santos. Again, not even sure why his is blown up. His says the same thing. 3/30/26. Award on March 30, 2026. It's done the same way. It just doesn't make sense the way that they did it. Or am I missing something? Oh, he's ready? Okay, let's see. There he is. Day of March 30, 2026. Hey, love, how are you?
I'm doing terrible. I'm doing
What?
alright.
Terrible? Why?
It's my third account. They took all my accounts. I literally have
What the
only
fuck is
1,000
going
followers on
on?
this account. I lost all
What
my
is
followers,
happening?
everything. I don't know. I think it's Bree and Santos trying to take my shit down. One of them two.
I believe you. Okay,
This shit is
Sock Gang, can
crazy.
you guys do me a favor? Can you guys please all go over and show him some love? Hit him with the follow, daily heart me. We gotta help my TikTok son. We gotta help him out. Yeah, look at already. Just follow. Just did. Gotta show him some love. Listen, I love being around. Oh, Santos doesn't say day. Wait, I love being around such positive, happy people. It's like no matter what comes his way. Okay, that's Breeze. Let me go back
in the
to.
building. Sock Gang, what it is, man. I love y'all, man. I hope everybody's having a blessed day, a positive day. Hope you guys are doing a freaking amazing, y'all.
I'll have to do it side by side because I don't see.
I'm trying to run from all the negativity, but this shit is hard, y'all. They trying to take me down. Like
I just don't know why.
I'm getting a report every freaking live I do.
Are you going live with controversial people or?
No, not even. Like
You never get
you
them
remember,
when you
when
go
we
live with
first
me, do
started?
you?
When we first started, anything I said didn't even matter. Now I can't. I gotta say I got you back. I gotta use all type of different terminologies.
Yeah, you do have to be careful with that.
I can't eat. It's like I'm walking on lava, and I gotta have my big toe out. Like I'm just like, all right. I don't know. This shit is just it's terrible, bro. They're trying to take me out.
Make sure you appeal it and just keep your head up and keep going. But you do have to be really, really careful with what you... Like I said, remember I told you, I got bananas for a 7-day for simply showing my socks. But you got these women out here, got their twins just out and people throwing money at them.
Yeah.
But just, make sure you appeal them. That's the big piece.
But they're not even accepting my appeals.
Oh my God.
They're not accepting my appeals. When I go live and I get the restriction, I don't even have an option to appeal it.
Oh, I didn't even think about that. Wes up his ass for Brian Santos. But you would think he'd be doing the same for like me and 2K.
That's what I'm saying. Like I'm not even talking about them. So it's like, why is it going to me?
He stays so mutual. Thank you guys so much for the daily heart maze.
Let's go.
Okay,
Like, don't get me wrong.
I
damn sure don't fuck with them people. But it's like I'm not on here talking about them and like everybody just know what side of the fence I'm on. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know what side of the fence I'm on, and you know I ain't finna play about winning in Team 2K.
It's all jealousy. I don't know. It's crazy. Okay, you want to run too? Because, honey, I got homework to do before they got court tomorrow.
All right, come on. Yeah, everybody drop a heart me, y'all.
We got stuff to do. The Sock Gang is on to something, and we're gonna figure it out. Do you notice my pieces is gone? Perez took it.
No fucking way.
Dude, by what was it, like 317 points?
Jess, that's crazy.
I know. I was like, that was for funeral. All right, guys, starting now is times 3. I couldn't believe it. Wait, it says save me.
Let me start following y'all back.
Times 3 for everybody.
I'm gonna follow y'all back on this account, y'all. This is the account that I'm gonna be on for now.
Why is it getting? Puzzle. I was like, why is it getting dark?
Flood! Thank you so much. They trying to take us out, y'all. Thank you guys for the support. Everybody that support me.
We got a few more seconds of times 3 first. Get this times 3, guys.
Appreciate you guys so freaking much, y'all. They do not want to see me win, y'all. They do not want to see me win.
You're gonna blow up, and you're gonna be better than ever.
Peace and love. I got you.
I still don't know how you guys get that.
Twin, where you been, bro? They've been taking my account. They've been taking my account, Leslie. I just followed you back. Stumble.
Crazy.
Thank you guys. Let's fucking go.
Glove count. Who has gloves in here?
Make sure
Can we do
y'all
it?
go follow my
that's
top
so
10,
cute.
y'all. Make sure y'all follow everybody supporting me, man.
Who has gloves?
Thank you guys, bro. For the genuine ones that's supporting this and that's here for me, I appreciate y'all so fucking much.
130.
Thank you guys.
Funeral. What's your account name now?
It's Funeral TV.
Oh, Funeral TV. Okay. So it's Funeral TV. So make sure you guys follow, show them some love.
Oh my God, what was that? That was a cool gift. Cali Gal. Cali Gal
gained over 100 followers in the last couple minutes. I love it. That's what we do over here, Sock Gang.
I see a lot of names I remember.
Oh, you guys keep tapping the screen because someone told me that helps us get the speed.
Amy in the freaking
building.
building.
It's getting chilly over here.
What's up, let's battle.
If you have a glove.
Jamie.
Oh, yeah. Did anyone, I got you talking. That's cute.
Oh, my
Who has gloves over here?
People in here, baby. Yeah, Cody Ann. Kathy, I see you, Kathy.
Yeah, I love it.
What's going on? Yeah, I follow this account too. I got you back, Monica.
He's getting 300 from. Listen, that's what I'm talking about, guys. He's getting 300 followers from us. That's amazing. Sock Gang is you guys are such an amazing group of people. Okay, we got 1.4K in here. Okay, so we're not getting to speed. Gloves. Have you guys figured out gloves?
My Kimmy. Are we done yet? Thank you so much. Oh my God.
I love this new little guy. Thank you, love. Thank you.
Little G.
Yes, he's with
Little
2K
G in the building. Kayla, what's up, Kayla? I'll give you a follow.
And no, they're not doing.
I'm getting all y'all back.
They're not doing like filming the court stuff. That's not what they're there for. Thank you guys.
Thank you
guys.
Boom, I got you.
I don't know. I keep asking who's got a glove in their chest. Let me check mine. JK.
Yeah. If I don't get you right now, y'all know the drill. This is a new account. I'm gonna get everybody back. Go like, comment, repost, and save my new post on this page, and I'll follow you back on this page.
And remember, he can only follow back. I think it's like 15
so
or 20
times
a day before he gets bananaed. Yeah.
So if you guys don't get followed right away, it's okay, y'all. If y'all want, catch me on live again.
Amanda.
Y'all can catch me on live again and say, "Hey, remember I came from Sock Gang," and that's cool. You know what I'm saying?
Stop it, Santos has a glove. Thank you, number one auntie, for 100 comments. Okay, guys, is someone dropping at 1 and someone dropping at 30 seconds? I know we have gloves.
Y'all that's supporting me right now, y'all. That's bro, like y'all are fucking amazing, bro. Y'all are freaking amazing, bro. Almost 300 heart me's on a freaking page with 1,000 followers.
I love it. That's what the Sock Gang does. They're the best. Okay, someone we still haven't got the glove thing. Is someone dropping
I got you back, Mims. I remember you.
We love it. We love us some Mims.
Mim's a real one. Mim's always come around.
Yeah, how I chose Sock Gang is because I showed my sock one day and I got a banana for 7 days, and then
yes, Amanda, I remember you, Amanda. I give you a follow, Amanda.
Oh my God, you guys only have 40 seconds
left. Thank you, Tali.
left.
I appreciate that, Tali.
Oh my God, he's gonna
give you a follow back too, Tali.
He was trying to win to get those nuggies all this time. All right, guys, we got 30 seconds. Is someone gonna drop a glove at 30?
Back funeral. Boom, I got you with. I've been seeing you with. Tiff with the galaxy.
I know no one's answering about the glove.
Oh my God.
Okay, I guess we got a raw dog it, guys. Okay, we got a raw dog it. Can we get it?
Christina, I gave you a follow. I got you, girl.
Oh my gosh.
Where's my people? Who am I missing? Honey to two. I got you, Honey to two.
All right, we got 8 seconds, guys. Let's go.
My people in the building. Sock Gang in the building. My people. I love you. New video. Thank you.
He finally won one. He finally beat us. When I have no nuggies.
Let's go.
When I have no nuggies, he won. I love it. Hold on, let me thank my people real fast.
Let's freaking go.
He's been trying so hard to get the nuggets. All right. Thank you so much, Heather. Pretty and Petty. I love it. Double Trouble, Pinky, Jax Girl, Alexandra, Stumble Lisa, Jamie, Christina, and Masley. Thank you guys so very much.
Y'all are so freaking amazing, man.
You guys, we got one
everybody
more.
Go follow my top 10 bubbles, y'all. Go follow my top 10 bubbles, y'all. Them people right there always come, show some love, hang out with me every single time.
Do not apologize.
Go show some love to the people
that's
showing love, y'all.
Do not apologize to me that you guys went over there and gifted him instead of me. Okay, that does not hurt my feelings or bother me.
Everybody that's been double tapping, everybody that's such a heart me during this live, everybody that follows my new account, I apprecight y'all.
Missy, you're good, love. All right, you want to do one more? Because I got
Benchy.
research to do. Listen, I'm on detective duty. We're going to do one more?
Come on, let's do it.
All right, let's do it. All right, you guys. Does anybody have gloves, though? We got to do a glove check. Yeah, you guys figured that out in there for the glove check. Oh, what is Al saying?
I got a question.
Debating the fidelity of a court document check. Yeah.
I got a question. Who listened to the new song on all platforms? I want to see. I want to see who actually went and downloaded the song or listened to the song.
I haven't because I've been busy, but I will.
And what do y'all think about the song?
I don't mind it. Well, I love the song. What the clip that I heard. Okay, now it's
going viral right now.
Only your first gift is ×3, so don't send like a rose red. Whatever you want to gift, send the first gift ×3. Heather, let's go. But now because today we were out all day, but now I'll do it tonight after my detective one. Let's
Florida
go.
baddies in the freaking building. Eli.
Thank you so much. Oh, they didn't come to play, y'all.
We on a backup account.
They didn't come to play. Look at him.
Popping in chat.
For the last few seconds. Let's go. Thank you, love.
Come on now.
Thank you. Oh, shit.
We got it. Yes, everybody go download the new song, Cinderella. The song
you reached level 16. Thank you so
Cinderella.
much. All right, hopefully we'll get
Spotify, Apple Music.
Hopefully we'll get
every platform it's out on. Just made this page. Okay, bet.
I'm so proud of you, Funeral.
It's out on all platforms. Thank you so much, Angie. It means a lot to me.
It's hard. It's hard to keep your head up when shit just kind of keeps coming at you, but you just keep fighting through.
And I'm trying, bro. They trying to take me down.
No, don't let him.
They done restricted people from even supporting my other accounts, like the gifting thing. They gave me a gifting break, all type of stuff. I've been just resetting, coming back, new account. Oh my god, man.
They can't help you, like an agency can't help you, like get your account
that I'm not in one, and I can't be in one on my main end. You're not supposed to have like multiple accounts, basically, with that. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like a lot of stuff.
Thank you. All right, let's see if we're gonna get a speed guide.
Would you please start up a backup account?
We have 1.2K.
Okay, so look, this is what I'll do. Actually, after this game, I'm gonna tell y'all what we could do. All right, Tiffany with the Galaxy. I know exactly. So if they take my account down, I know exactly how to get everybody
thank
notified.
You so much. I love every gift, but when someone gives me their first gift, it means the world to me.
I know exactly how to get everybody notified.
Okay. You'll have to let us know after the game because I'm focused.
After the game, I know we focused. Tiffany,
thank you.
Everybody, let's lock in, y'all. Do we have any gloves?
Andy, you're a rising star. Thank you, love.
My daughter loves this song. She's 8.
I think we don't have anybody that has gloves.
I'm so glad she loves this song.
He does.
I've been getting so much good feedback from the song. It's been amazing. Tiff, thank you so much. Good. It's been amazing. I'm like, a lot of people are making videos to it. A lot of people are playing it in their cars and making it and tagging me. Yeah, if y'all do a video to my song and tag me,
if you have a glove, Veronica, thank you. If you have a glove, I think it's like in your backpack, like on the bottom, like at the bottom of the gifts, there's like a backpack or a chest, and it will be in there. You would have had to been in the top 3 at one of the games we won.
Oh.
I know there's a ton of gloves. They may not just not be in here. Speaking of, before you guys leave, if you are not following, please make sure you guys follow. Court is tomorrow, so a lot of shit's gonna come out, and you want to hear the correct information, so you want to hang out over here.
How do I get your song? So any platform that you use, if you use Apple Music or Spotify, if you use Apple Music or Spotify, all you have to do is type in my name, which is Funeral, and then type in Cinderella. It should pop up with a slipper and a book, and it has the whole Cinderella vibe to it.
Okay, so if we have gloves, somebody drop one in 1 minute, and someone drop one in 30 seconds.
Do we have a glove? Does anybody have a glove? Tiffany Isabel, thanks for the
I know, I'm like, how do we have 1.2 people over here? No one has a glove. Oh, shit.
Oh, my God. Tiffany in the freaking building. Everybody go follow Tiffany right now.
Oh, shit.
Everybody go follow Tiffany right now. Oh, my God. Tiffany. What the fuck?
Oh, my God. Okay, does somebody have a glove? Anybody have a glove? Nobody have a glove? Somebody have a glove? Anybody have a glove? Nobody have a glove?
Oh, my God.
Bree says I'm goofy. Bree can suck my goofy left. Never mind.
Everybody put W Tiffany in the chat. Everybody put W Tiffany in the chat. Oh,
okay, 30 seconds. If somebody have a glove,
just add a Cinderella on Spotify. Let's freaking go. Let me give you a follow. Anybody that adds my song, anybody that adds my song,
I love that.
Listens to my song on whatever platform. Tell me what platform you listen to it on, and I'm following you.
Let's fight.
Tiffany.
You know she's lying and getting
Add it on
caught up when she starts.
Spotify and Apple Music.
Exactly.
Amy, you know I got you. You just gotta accept me.
And you know, I'm not going to sleep until I figure this out. Oh, Mims, that's
Apple
so cute.
Music,
Thank
Hollies,
you, love.
I got you.
All right, guys, we got 13 seconds. Oh, my God.
And y'all go make videos to it, too. Y'all go make videos to it.
He's building a. Heather, let's go. Jill, thank you so much. We got 5 seconds.
I didn't mean to invite whoever I invited. I invited somebody by mistake.
The vote. Thank you, love.
Naomi with the follow.
Ooh, good night. Oh, he did it. Listen, he's going to build a 28 piece on us. I love it.
We could have took that streak right now. MVP, Tiffany in the building. Thank you so much for your support, Queen. Let's fucking go.
Eli. Give me a second. All right. Thank you guys so much. Heather and Pinky and Rebecca and Jill. And are we done yet? And honey to you, Autumn, Sabrina, Jack's Girl, and Double Trouble. Thank you guys all so much. I so appreciate you guys. And thank you guys for going over here and showing him some love.
It's crazy.
He deserves it. He's the best.
Song is truly a banger. Appreciate it. So look, y'all, this is what I'm going to do, y'all.
That's what I always say.
This is how I'm going to figure it all out.
Okay, tell us.
I need everybody to click this on my Shop by Funeral account. Remember the account that we followed yesterday? I have a bulletin board right here.
Okay.
If everybody clicks this, I will be able to notify everybody that if my account gets taken down.
Oh, okay.
So if everybody goes to this page right here and you click
the Shop by Funeral,
the funerals board, click that and join it. Everybody join that.
Okay.
Everybody join that.
It's just so weird that they just keep getting taken down.
I know, it's so annoying. I'm gonna come in here and send you a gift so people can see the account, and then I'll send it in my chat too.
Okay, thank you.
So boom, you see that account, y'all? Everybody go.
Oh, there we go, right
bio
there.
Of that account.
Shop by Funeral.
Get on the bio of that account. Look, I'm making it
go
easy
to
for you
shop
guys.
by SHOTBYFNURAL.
I'm gonna keep sending gifts. Hold on. Look. Boom. This account that's popping up. Oh wait, hold on. Let me just exchange something big. Hold on. 1 second.
She said that they did 2 to 3 week courses each, and it didn't have a due date to turn docs in.
I know exactly how I'm gonna do this. I couldn't find it. Don't worry.
I mean, technically it didn't, but waiting till 2 days before trial to turn your shit in when you had a year to do it is crazy. Oh, here it is. Shop by Funeral.
Boom. So everybody click that name and click the bulletin board that is in the bio. So when if I lose my account again, y'all will get notified in there.
If, not when. Yeah, he has 560,000 people on there, guys. We got to get that count up and going and moving because that's crazy. Hey, also, when you finish on this about you, can you tell us where we go to buy 2K's merch? So I've had a lot of people ask.
I think he has a link to it. I don't know if it's out right now because I think maybe the merch would have sold out. But I'll also put that in my bulletin board. So if y'all go into my bulletin board, when he gives out the new link, I'll put it in my stuff too. Yeah, it's sold out right now.
Perfect. Because I know a lot of people have messaged me and I'm like, I don't know. Hi, love.
James, what's up, James?
Certificates on her page. Embree's response to being.
Okay, let me go into my page right
Everything is sold out. Oh my God.
Okay, so everybody that's on my side, y'all, look, I'm gonna send a couple of heart puffs on my end. Look, that account right there. Oh no, I need to recharge more coins.
No, don't send nothing else. We got your name. You don't have to send nothing else, love.
I'm trying to show it to. I'm doing it on my side.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Y'all, look, this right here, this account right here. Everybody click this account on my side that's popping up with the heart puffs. Click it, and there's a bulletin board on my page. It says bulletin board. Join that, and that's where you'll get my notifications. If I move to a different account.
Okay, I got it. I'll play it next.
Everybody join up.
I'm
following everybody that joins up right now. Just tell me joined if you joined.
Yeah. When we get off, I'll comment it and then I'll tag you so my people can see it. Because you can't tag the comment if you're on with somebody. You guys, 1.5 million taps is crazy. 1,000 daily heart. You guys are amazing.
Million taps?
Yeah.
Yo.
1.2K people in here.
You and your team are you and that family right there.
Stocking is beautiful. They're amazing. If you guys did your daily harmony earlier, it's done the reset thing. You guys can
Joined
send
it.
it again, if you want
Joined
to.
it. Okay, boom. Let me follow you back, Valerie. G.
What was it? 10.
I got. So what are
I
you?
don't
Are
know
you
how to
getting
say name.
off? Are you getting off after right now? Or are
Yep,
you
in a
still gonna be
minute because
talking?
I'm gonna show one more video and then I have some research to do and then I'm gonna be sending out some emails.
Okay.
You know.
Okay.
Yeah, but we'll be in touch.
Okay, for sure. So all right. So I'll let you do that. Everybody that's joining the bulletin board, I'll follow y'all right now. So just come and join in the chat. All right, Angie.
All right.
Love
Love
you,
you so
Queen.
much.
Saw
I'll
gang.
talk to you
I love y'all,
tomorrow.
man.
Hey, prayers for 2K tomorrow. Everybody over here is sending prayers and well
Send them
wishes to
over.
2K. I know he got this. Keep his head up.
Yeah,
Stay
he's
focused.
very stressed right now.
Wusa. Yeah, I bet he is. But that's okay. He's got this. All the SOC gang is behind him.
We here.
All
We
right.
here.
And thank you for being there for
Once
him.
I get off live, I'll call him and tell him that you guys have been praying for him.
Absolutely.
I'll send them prayers. All right, Angie.
All right. Love you bunches. Bye, kid.
Queen. All right, I'm
Bye.
calling y'all right now. I got you guys.
Okay, bye. He's my TikTok son. I just love him. Angie, would you be willing to do a fundraiser for me? I'm only 26, losing weight. Oh, Kiki, as much as I would absolutely love to do that, I don't do any like GFMs or GoFundMe or anything on my page. Only because a lot of pages have been taken down because of that, or once you do one, you get bombarded with a bunch of other ones, and doing fundraisers like that, you can lose your account. I mean, we can try to figure out something on the, you know what I'm saying, like on the flip side, but I can't lose my account over, Okay, so let's look and see what Tea Junkie says about this, because I love me some Tea Junkie. Look at Ariel's comment. Let's see how far up it goes. Because I got some shit I gotta get done. Because I got court in the morning, so I gotta get this done. Ooh, I'm so glad I was feeling better and my head's not full of snot and I can focus. Because, boy, this was a good live. They found the website Bree using for her fake parent. Can you send it to me, Ariel? Can you DM me? Oh, wait, why didn't I just follow you? That was stupid of me. Now I gotta find you again. Hold on. Yeah, if you can send it to me, that would be great. Okay. Let's see.
Brianna Olsen is claiming that the court never told them. All right, y'all. So new court docs have dropped today, March 30th, 2026. And this is Brianna Olsen's filing. So let's break these down. So what the document is.
Wait, is this one you guys are talking about? Because this one's old. Oh, her story.
Olsen's lawyer responding.
Okay, here we go. Oh, wait, what does it say? Oh, goddamn, it says I gotta turn this down. I won't post our Amazon wish list for our new place. Oh my God. But it's $3,500 if anybody wants to just send it to me or my blue plate. Are you fucking kidding me? This was a month after I gave birth to W. Besides my dark belly, I hope I snap back after birth. Nobody cares. This says, this was a question. Do you ever have stretch marks? And the orange looks great on you. I didn't get any stretch marks. Nobody cares. Hold on. My son is fresh. That's the dog. And then food. More food. We're at the casino. Hard Rock Casino. Whatever. We're going to be doing giveaways. The glove needs a wash. He looks ridiculous. Pain with my earnings. Genuinely about to tweak today because it's hot and I can't find shaved ice. We found it, shaved ice. First one is no flavor. She's just eating ice. He mad I made him drive to 5 different places to find shaved ice. Rain and cut. Whatever. Pasta. More ice. 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 The dog's eating. Pasta. The baby needs this. It's more shaved ice. More ice. Does she have anemia? Oh, wait, hold on. What does it say? Court outfit shopping. Our favorite spot to eat when we actually live back here. Oh, hold on. He's going to tell his mommy on you. I don't know what that means. Perhaps a water. Perhaps not. He's drinking. It's just showing food. That's why I'm not really showing it, because it's just food. They're with the dog. What do you think about the court outfit? Cover your shoulders. We're eating at the Grove. I love our double dates. They're about to give birth soon. No, you got months to go. Eye still hasn't healed. Okay, here we go. Oh, these are the ones I just read. This is the certificate. The certificate. Oh, here we go. Someone found the template on Reddit. We did it again. The rest of us just fit. Oh, it says, okay. You do know your parenting class certificate was proven fake as fuck, right, girl? Like, for fuck's sake, you know it, and it's already been turned in. She's like, oh, girl, we will see. Hold on, play it again.
How would it be fake if it was literally a parenting class place that was on the list of approved places given to us by the court? Like, are you fucking dumb? Y'all will pick apart literally anything but your own fucking life.
To 2K's motion. So 2K tried to get Brianna Olsen.
Well, my life is going pretty well. I don't need to pick it apart, but okay. Right. Yeah, she's pissed because she found out. So I'm going to look into all of this shit. Okay. Oh, there's so much more to this story. Yeah. It's a crappy company. Well, I don't do good on my phone or on my iPad. I'm gonna do it on my because when I looked up Odom Industries, Brian and Elizabeth were not on that page at all. So I want to do like reverse number search, reverse address search. I want to try to figure out if I can figure it out. It may be too late and it may not even make a matter. Who does the phone number go to even on the shift? I don't know. That's what I got to figure out. Yeah, it's Byron. Yeah, it's BYRONIDOM. I hate when pretty girls are so ugly. Me too. Anyone can pick that. Yeah, it's easy to make a certificate online. It truly, truly, truly is. So, okay. Y'all, what a crazy, crazy day. Can you find who it's read? Yeah, honey, I'm going to do it all. Now listen. I don't have 2K certificate pulled up. I'd have to, when it comes through the court docs, then I'll show you. So listen, this is what I'm going to do, because it's 10 o'clock. I'm going to log off, which I hate to log off. There's still 1.3K people in here. We're at 106 million taps and 1,000 daily heartbeats. You guys are freaking amazing. I am making my name easy from Queen Dobby. I'm using my real name. I love it, Mary. I love it. Even though I do miss seeing, because they go by so fast, where Queen Dobby just stuck out. It was easy. 2K students on Reddit. He did it, the 12-hour course. Maybe only one person called. Yeah. Nobody called. Like, I never, ever, ever, ever encourage people to call or do whatever. I'm just going to do work on the internet and see if we can figure it out. Okay? I know it's late for y'all on the East Coast. What's tomorrow? Thursday, I may be able to come on a little bit early tomorrow. I know we have a basketball game at 3:30, and I don't think anything after that. So, but if anything pops up during the day, I'll pop on. Tomorrow is court date. Listen, let's all please keep 2K, Mama 2K, Baby W in our thoughts and prayers. They got this. This is tough. This is not the end. Okay, this is just one piece of it. Then they go back in May. Then they're going to have another day. So we're carrying it on as long as, even though I said I was going to be done. But listen, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. We got this. Okay. So I will put in my thought box what time I will be there tomorrow. Now, if by chance I find any crazy information today, will I go? I kind of want to keep it to myself. Well, what I may do, if you see a thing that says go to YT, put on your track shoes. Okay, but if not, I may be able to just do it tomorrow. Okay, so I love you. Thank you guys for hanging out, rocking with me. I still have to eat dinner, so I'm going to make myself something to eat really fast, and I'm going to get to work, and then I'll give you guys an update tomorrow, and then tomorrow we'll be live for a long time, going over whatever it is that we get from the courts tomorrow. Okay, I love you guys so much. Thanks for hanging out. Have a good night. Bye. Get some sleep. I know I'm going to. Listen, I put on brand new sheets on my bed, took a shower, took some Benadryl last night, slept like a baby. I feel so much better today, except for my throat just feels so raw, like dry. So I need to get some throat lozenges, but I'm better. I'm back, baby, just in time. All right. Love you so much. I will see you guys tomorrow. Oh, wait, I got to take a screenshot. Wait, hold on. Sorry, we can't go just yet because it says we're in the rankings. Whatever that means. Hold on. I have to wait till it goes back to that. Sorry. I mean, you guys don't have to stay here. I just want to see. We're number 60, you guys. We're 100 points away from 60. We're only 700 points away from 57. Oh, my God. We're in B4. Wait, what happened? How do I do this? How do I make this work? Oh, we need, we're working on our second fragment, whatever that means. And we're number 60, you guys. Look at us. You guys are freaking amazing. Okay, I just had to, I never see that. We're never like in the numbers. So I said, I was like, well, hold on as I was pulling out, okay? Of course. I don't know what I'm going to, it has to be something really light now because it's so late. I might just heat up some naan bread with a little bit of, yeah, they have like daily rankings for each thing. Like I'm in the popular live, but then they have like daily rankings. It's like the first top 99. You do whatever. But anyways, I might just do some naan bread with some butter and some garlic salt and a little bit of feta. Please read where it says awarded on for both of this. Okay, awarded on. As for Jamal, someone just asked real fast. I'm going to search. Let me write this down or I'll forget. He's doing okay. Yeah, he's doing okay. His, I love feta cheese too. His eyesight is, it's getting a little better. Like if he's just like looking like this, he's okay. But if he looks up, down, or sideways, it's wonky. And he's still in a lot of pain. And he's just not taking pain medication. And I'm worried that him not taking the medication is going to prolong his healing, And that's imperative. And now they're dinking him around on the PFMLA. Like, what do they expect people to do? You know what I'm saying? He had his surgery on, mid-March, right? We're now in April. Thank goodness we did an amazing, I have an amazing community, and we did a battle session for Jamal that I was able to cover all of his April bills. But what happens now? It's like what's the next month? May. They're trying to say that only part-time, that they'll only pay him for part-time and he can work part-time. He can't even lift any more than 10 pounds. He can't even pick up his own kids. He can't even drive because he can't see right. So who knows? So we're working on that. Angie just tagged you. Ooh, thank you, bae. You tagged me in it? I got you. I will be doing all of that while I am eating. We can definitely, yeah, if you guys want to, we can definitely do another battle day. We can set something up. For the most part, it was a lot of love. But then I saw some videos, which is, again, why I never even like to put anything out there of, oh, she grew and she's just so entitled. She's asking people to pay for her son's brain surgery. Do you know how much money that would have been if I would ask for somebody people to pay for his brain surgery? Like, what? Like, no. I put my Venmo in my bio per y'all's request, and that was a blessing. And then we did battles, which is what everybody does. And if I choose on the battles to make sure that that money goes to him to pay his bills, that's great. And that was such a huge stress reliever. I think that truly helped him heal, because before April even came around, all his bills, including any past bills, were 100% paid. And I just sent him some money last night to make sure, listen, for staple items. Yeah, the Venmo's still in the bio. It probably won't be for long, but it is still in there now. But I just sent him a couple $100 last night for, diapers and gas and the staple items, like that type of stuff. So he's good. Can you, Denali, can you DM me? Wait, are we friends? Hold on. Let me follow you back. Oh, you have to request. I just requested you. I'll send it to you. Yeah, that one I didn't put out because, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't all the dates. But yeah, absolutely. If you guys want to, again, I'm not asking, absolutely not asking for help. But if you guys want to, it is definitely a blessing for sure. I'll have to ask him for, if you guys aren't like creeped out about it, I'll have to ask him. Oh, on YT. Okay. I haven't, when those few days I was out for my allergies, I wasn't reading nothing. But I'll have to ask him if I can show you guys. Not the whole thing, but when they went up and showed his surgery site, it's crazy how just unhealed it is. A mess. Okay, I got detective work to do. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much, Melissa. I so appreciate you, love. I'm going to get the detective work one and get it delivered. You know what I'm saying? And then I will be on tomorrow. I'm going to try to be on early. Like 5:30 tomorrow. Yes, I'm going to download this right now. It's long, so it'll take a while. I'll stay up as long as I can to see if I can get it over there. But I will try to get it up on YT tonight. And then I'll put in my thought box that is up there. Okay, I love you guys so much. Thank you for absolutely. We got up to 1.6 million. I got script. Thank you so much, love. Hold on. Thank you for absolutely. We got up to 1.6 million. I got script. Thank you so much, love. Hold on. I had to smile and take a picture of the 1.6 million. I love it. I love you guys. No, my time is Pacific Standard Time. So if it's 5:30 for me, it'll be 8:30 for you. Any days I can go early, I will. Yes, Candace. And Candace, you said it was on YT, right? Your message on YT, or was it on TikTok? There, I tried to follow you back, but you have to accept me. But yep, I will look at it. As soon as I get off, let me get something to eat on here. Okay, I just followed you, so follow me back. So that way I don't have to dig through the like 900 unfollowed people. All right, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys truly for everything. Have a good night.